1 minute, guys. On that area, steadily NASDAQ. All right, I assume my audio is okay. Just give me a second. How do I share this screen on this? Share screen. Two minutes, guys. Just trying to get this going. All right, let me start this. Telegram should be streaming. I'm gonna have to double check this thing shortly. I may not be able to stop share my screen from where I am. Okay, give me a second. And this share screen, allow window, zoom, share this window. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Today you may not see the screen because I'm not doing this from the office. I don't have the devices connected, but I'll figure something out because I have an appointment very soon, so I didn't want to come to the office and go from there. So at least let's get some commentary done. Present. All right, Wednesday, July 15th, 9:17 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to superareas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. I'll be your host, Rafay, and I'll be with you for next maybe an hour or so today to help you understand and navigate the markets. Anything I say is not financial advice. It's just for informational education, entertainment purposes only. I'm not responsible for your profits, your losses. Just here to do mere analysis, just like you guys. And let's look at some news first. News is approximately 8:30, at 8:30 exactly, you had core PPI. So market shot up from 850 to almost 990. That really did a spike. And then, of course, you have 10 o'clock Fed share is going to testify. So rocky movement today again. So we're going to listen to Daniel Bhai's brief and then figure this out. Arun Bhai should be live. At least you should be hearing audio on, because I have an appointment, so I'm not doing this from office today. I'm doing this from my home. And while trying to share screens, it's just not working. So you guys gonna have to just put up with the audio today, or you can join Miss Tulip stream or Mr. Vikram, etc., or Mr. Happy later. So where are we right now in terms of price? Let's see. Let's write down some highs and lows for today, and we'll go from there. Okay, so NASDAQ 30,062 is the high, and Q areas are updated. No major earnings today. Copy this, left. Wednesday, July the 15th. Before base was up, pressure is down for both markets. What is the strike price? 29,460. Trust has changed to the upside. Strike price has 75.45. And today's events were Fed PPI. Okay, let's write down some numbers. So night high has been 30,063, 30,063. Night low 29,746, 29,746. So the swing has been for NASDAQ 317 points. Let's look at the pivot. Pivot is falling somewhere around S2 area. So 29,800 is my pivot. No value area for here. Let me just go and look for MES. MES, you are at 75.87 is my pivot. 75.87 is my pivot. Value area top is near S1. 75.95, let's say 75.95. Value area bottom 75.70. Let's do 69. 75.69. All right, this is out of the way. Let me send this in our Telegram so everybody can compare, and if there's any issues, you guys can. Okay, took a screenshot. Let me send that over there. All right, so this is done. Now, where I'm gonna, of course, we're gonna listen to the brief shortly, and then I'll give you my entries. Yesterday's entries were good. When we were leaving, I said roughly around 30,000 or so, 998, 997. If you did it last night, you were done. I was still waiting for ES to come to maybe 19. It did not go there the night evening. It went as high as 35. What's the ES? Oh, sorry, I copied it wrong. Let me delete this and resend. Okay. You guys can still send me WhatsApp messages, and I know the audio is only going, not video. ES night high is 75.15. My order was sitting at 75.19. 75.15. 25. So 75.16 is my high, and my low is 75.83. 75.83. 76.15. Okay. All right. Now this is good. Let me send the proper update. All right, let's do this. Okay. So we are expected some bit of a volatility. Let's see if it goes back down to. So what is my entry? I'm waiting on ES. Very simple, R2. So I will enter somewhere around 76, 33, 34. So 33 is okay. Our ninja pivot is at 34. So I'm skipping R1 and then heading towards 76, 34. It's coming very close to our all-time highs again. Our all-time high for this contract is, I believe, 76.85. So we're inside. We're getting there slowly. And NASDAQ all-time high of 31,100. So price is slowly getting back in there. So my entry for MES today is R2. It's a 60-minute upper band. It is ninja pivot. So this is where I'm giving preference to what do you call it, from there. R2 ninja pivot is what I'm trying to do. So my resistance would be 75. Let's say 33 is good enough to start some sort of an entry. And for NASDAQ, let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ should be okay somewhere around even R1. R1 even is okay. 30,000. Zoom audio is not auto. Zoom audio is wrong. Let me double check G 1 second. Audio should be okay. Zoom. I'm not sure if the audio is okay on. Zoom audio should be okay. Thank you. The audio is good. I was just not close enough to the mic. Sorry. So let's see. So right now the price is in between R1 and S1 for NASDAQ, and the price is same R1 and S1 between for ES. So my entry would be R2 for ES, and my entry would be for resistance R1 for NASDAQ. Let's see what happens. You can take MES R1, but the gap is so little between 20 and 34. So you can get more points from R2, definitely. So, but let's see what happens shortly. Let's listen to the brief and go from there. Oh. So what is my support zone? Support zone, of course, I would like to get MNQ somewhere in expected low zone though. I'm skipping pivot. I'm skipping everything. The ranges are too high of yesterday's spike too. So my entry would be somewhere around 500. So I'm skipping pivot. I'm skipping S1, S2. And if it goes, I'm not going any long before 500.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Hello, guys. Ken Chow. Microphone check. Sorry, guys. I can't see any message before 9:12 because I logged in from my computer late, so I can't see any messages before. So, Hitesh, good morning. Vikramji, good morning. Amrit, good morning. Majid, Zakir Bhai, good morning. Manish, Good morning, Jagdeep ji, Ayaz Bhai Sukh ji, good morning. Sayyid Ali ji, Manpreet ji, good morning, everybody. Thank you, Hitesh. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our trading floor not attended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any user or subscriber. You're solely responsible for all your actions, and don't think you made money yesterday. You'll make it today. Always be on your toes, always press your stops, and always ready to accept those losses. And do what you see, don't do what you think. Treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any user or subscriber. Today, S&P 500, our NASDAQ, and Dow. Base is up, pressure is down. Russell 2000 base is down and pressure is down. A high to go low would be a good strategy, R1, R2. Our today expected high for S&P 500, 76.62 to 75. Low for S&P 500, 75.45 to 30. High for NASDAQ is 30,410 to 500. Low is 29,520 to 430,430. Back and forth, guys. Yesterday we had that 10 o'clock exactly. Fed Chairman Wash testifies. Today again we have Fed Chairman exactly same thing. A big Fed number from Producer Price Index. Previous was 0.6. Expectation was 0. It came in minus. All right. So that's why we have this push to the upside. Not much, but tiny. Overall, 84 points on S&P 500 swing high. Right now is pushing up 85 points to the upside. Our NASDAQ went up 759 points. Retraced back down today this morning after 4 a.m. till our 9 a.m. 206 points. No retracement on S&P 500. But NASDAQ gave us a higher low. Dow, my God, I cannot believe 360 points. If I compare to NASDAQ, it should be above 2,000 points. But no, it's highly manipulated. I have never seen. I feel like because you guys never seen these markets, so we can see the big difference in this highly manipulated time. Overall, best is high to go low, guys. Very close to R1. If you see very close S&P 500, almost kissed our R1, and NASDAQ is not going up at all. If you look at the NASDAQ, it's lower than the previous opening. Dow even very close to nice session low. Russell 2000 and S&P are synced today. Hit and run from R1, R2. It would be a good area. And our euro, guys, British pound and euro. British pound is up. We have at open, the euro was down. And after 7 a.m., British pound started bouncing back up. Remember, at open, both markets came down. Euro especially, big push to the downside. Euro bounced back up after, 8 to 9, you can say. Same thing with the British pound. But British pound had a bigger push than euro. Euro did not break our night session high, but British pound break our night session high and very close to our yesterday high area. Canadian dollar was up, came down after 12 a.m. That's a retracement of the previous push. So right now above PP. All euro, British pound was above euro at PP, but the Canadian dollar is just slightly above PP. Excuse me. Area, but push is up. Our crude oil flat hold night. It was in between $1.63. It's just in the doldrum. It's not giving us a proper picture if I compare either it's going up or down. But right now, above the PP area, that situation that is in Middle East does not look good and not look healthy. So that's why crude oil might goes to our expected high for the day. FTX was down at open. It's really weird. FTX is moving exactly like the currencies. Actually, usually it's against the currencies, but it's moving same with the currencies. Hit our expected low for the day. So FTX, our expected low is done, and it hit around open when our euro opened. FTX went down, hit 940. 24,940 exactly. It came to 40, 42, 50 area. It hit and shoot to the upside. Almost 70% it covers up the push that we had to the downside. And we'll see if US session, the US people will take FTX to the upside. Gold right now, just 1.5 hour gold gave us a push to the upside. 4,080.70, $57 push to the upside out of $89.20. Gold, look guys, if you want to be successful in gold, only one way, only go long on gold. Whenever gold drop, even 1 week, one trade, 2 weeks, one trade, 1 month, one trade, but that trade would be a very beautiful, big trade for you guys. Whoever understands the theory, what I teach you guys or I taught you, trust me, you are making killing out of this market, only trading gold and silver, because only one way, and that push is to the upside. Copper is up. Copper almost covers up 74%. The push came down yesterday. Yesterday, you remember, it went up very close to our expected high, and almost hit our expected high at 12 p.m. and then shoot to the downside, 60% push down. And right now, an extension to the upside. Silver is at PP, same copy of gold, but gold is above PP, but silver is below of PP right now. Silver came down $1.89 right now, $1.04 push to the upside from after 9 a.m. After 8, I would say after 8 a.m., it almost gives back 55% that push to the downside. Natural gas is down. Natural gas below PP in natural gas. Everybody knows in summer, natural gas goes down. There's no any secret in it. Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin yesterday also went up. Overall, we have $3,960 push to the upside on our Bitcoin. So Bitcoin further push to the upside. Whatever they do, they cannot stop Bitcoin and Ethereum to go up. Ethereum already hit our expected high for the day. In just 1.5 hours, it went up $82.50 swing, but very nice, beautiful push to the upside. Done on our Ethereum. Bitcoin is banana, guys. Bitcoin is crazy going up. Ethereum is also going up. And we knew that these markets will go up. And if Bitcoin is going up, it will take S&P, NASDAQ to the upside too. NASDAQ move with Bitcoin. But right now, if Bitcoin is going up, it will take NASDAQ to the upside. Or, excuse me, NQ will take Bitcoin to the downside as well. We reach to R1. You see now, NASDAQ is going down. S&P is going up. Russell 2000 is going up. That's where the manipulation is, guys. And why he's coming back and forth like yesterday and today, and he wants to testify for what? Which thing they are hiding? It means there's something is cooking there. Dow at R1, S&P at R1, and NASDAQ is just 50% of the previous hour. Russell 2000 gave us a very nice push from the R1 area. Hit and run. If you're done, guys, just call for the day today. And please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here. The green to go up and red to go. Just go with the trend. Mid-band green to go up, a chain color, get out. Magenta to go down, chain color, get out from the trade. Have a nice day, guys. And if you have any question, let me know.
All right, you guys see the brief. R1 ES bottom range gave us 3 points, and R1 upper range gave us approximately 5 points. So R1 is officially done. I'm still waiting for R2, 33. And MNQ is at S1, completely opposite. It's stupid. It's very stupid, in my opinion. One is that they should be synced, and they're not today. So anyway, it's okay. So I'm waiting for certain numbers for NASDAQ and ES. ES, I'm waiting. NASDAQ, I'm waiting for at least R1. So, and ES again, right now I'm waiting for R2. 33 is my order, and that's it. So R1 is officially done for ES, by the way. Both areas, whether you took the bottom one or the top one, you're done. And we are in S1 for NASDAQ at the moment. So the number that I'm waiting for MES or ES, 7633. It may go and make a divergence now, 3020, go up there, break 26, and then go to 33. That would be reasonable. And for NASDAQ, I'm waiting for around R1. So if I look at 60-minute, because I need to go back, bigger charts, since these numbers are relatively new. Give me a second. I took a couple of, on the evals, I took a couple of points. And waiting for 7633 is my where. So. Yeah, look at the weather outside. It's crazy. Sorry? No, I'm on the live stream right now. Oh, I have an appointment, so I'll just finish this quickly. So, man, go. Change. Huh? Sorry?
It's 9:40. It's 9:40.
Yeah, it's 9:40, so. And we're heading towards PP4. So my number to go long is 500, or actually exact number is 490. I'm waiting for 490 before I go any long on NASDAQ. It's too crazy, man. All of this is just too crazy. What's the dollar gap? 57 divided by 25. So it's 57 divided by 20. Yeah, the sync is too less of a gap. So we're heading to pivot very soon. I am not going long from pivot. I'm ignoring pivot. I'm ignoring S2. I'm and going straight to 490. So better safe than sorry. And the psychology of it is, why waste? Most of you sometime I feel don't treat funded account as your own money. So you're like, it's okay. It's only $15. But why? But why? Money is money. Yeah, you can have some gambling accounts and then, I don't know, might as well put a camera on for myself. Oh, give me a second. All right. Wherever we are in the world, trading does not stop. There you go. This is my, wait, do I do it on Zoom or do I do it on, where do I do? Give me a second. If I turn on the camera, how can it? Screen, screen share. Share. Screen. What's up? She's upstairs. Huh?
Phone's on the bed.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, there you go. On Zoom, I can share the screen, so I'm looking for certain things. So waiting for 76.33 and carefully watching this area. This is not good. It's not working. And we're heading to pivot very soon, very close to pivot. And we're inside coming to pivot soon. Close to trade. So right around here, pivot and 60-minute mid-band is coming. So look at this. So 60 midday is there and pivot is there around 800 and S2 is there. So it should act as a good support, but I don't like NASDAQ. If it drops and drops, if you want to take a risk, maybe 707, maybe 580, but the best entry should be somewhere around 29,450. So let me draw this here these days. Okay, let me draw. Okay, so right around here, if you can see, is a good support. So we're heading, clear all drawings. We are at pivot. So where's my pivot? Right here. If you can see on Zoom, right here. Let me clear the drawings. So we are very much at pivot. Over here, it's 76.03. Where are we in terms of MES? MES, I gotta wait for at least value area bottom. So multiple resistance. So we are at pivot at the moment. There you go. It is landed on pivot. Let's see if let me open up a 1 minute candle just to see. Yep, it gave us from pivot from 13 points from pivot and it is heading up. Wait, let's see. Does it retest pivot? When 1 minute can show it better. Okay, we are inside S2 at the moment. Not doing anything there. Broke the pivot, coming down, sitting at, so here's my pivot trade, and pivot gave us 10 points. If you took pivot, it's fine. I did not take pivot. It's okay. but pivot trade is done. 17 points from pivot or hit and run if you had taken, but I'm waiting for, I'll go somewhere down because if it breaks, I don't like NASDAQ this way, coming down fast. So either this, yesterday's mid, so your first risk could be if you took hit and run on pivot, it's still 60-minute mid band. It could be powerful, but one is right here, one support is right here, and the third support is right here. 1, 2, 3. So right now it's very close. S1 is officially done. If you have taken hit and run, you're like 8, 9, 10 points into it. I did not. As you can see, I'm so right here, right here, right here was the two. Trying to come up with better ways to explain. 1 second. Maybe I take shapes. Okay, so there's a line right here, line right here, and line right here. These are the three supports that are after S2. Had I taken S1 R1, look at the points. 14 points drop from the all-time high. But right now it's hovering inside this zone of S1. So you have 4 supports. So we had all skipped S1, and this is S1. This is your yesterday's mid. This is your S1 Ninja pivot and yesterday. So 4 supports in between. We are at support number 1 at the moment. So I will. So my best entry would be somewhere around here. So not 583. Let me clear it. Still right now, S1 is very strong. 60-minute mid band is there, but I'm not, sorry, S2, but I'm not taking any risk on that whatsoever. I don't like it. Yes. No, I know you guys can't see it on my, connect to Zoom, please, because I'm not sharing it on live stream. I'm sharing it on Zoom though. Daman Singh Saab, great. You took 820 points, hit and run. That's fine, no problem. Zoom, I'm actually drawing and seeing the screen because I'm not at the office. I had an appointment today. So next is right here. This is my 60-minute chart that I'm observing. Pivot came, I stopped pivot. I did not do it. S1 I ignored. Pivot I ignored. S2 bottom I ignored. So next possible support is this. Then the next possible support is this. And the ultimate support is right here, around 500 zone, 490 zone. So let's see if it stops somewhere around there. And where am I getting these supports from? I know it's going to have a hard time. It has fallen quite a bit. It has fallen from this arrow. Sucks. So I'll go this one and clear drawings. Okay. So from 30,000 all the way to 7. So it could still fall. So somewhere around here, it should bounce. Somewhere around here, it should bounce. And somewhere around here, it should bounce. So right now, bottom range of S1 is working. And where is ES? Give me a second. Where is ES? ES is sitting at, that's not anywhere. R1 slightly up is done. So ES, I'm somewhere around here. 70 should be okay to give us. Right now, bottom range of S1 has worked. Let me go back to 1 minute to zoom in to see what's going on. There you go. Bottom range of from 770 to 20 points it's giving. So it fell, pivot, gave you 20 points. Then if you took this, still dropping more. Nope, does not want to climb back up. So this mid band worked. If you took this mid, came out, gave you a couple of points, maybe 1 point. So in a 1 minute candle, what is happening? You can kind of zoom in to see. So maybe, because let's establish let me go back to, let's say 5 minutes, then I'll get an idea. There you go. Let's do a draw a line. So it started right here to right here. So still it dropped to all the way down. This has been our curve for so opening range breakout from 9:30 to all the way down to 10 o'clock has been this 750, 782. We're hitting, and our fib will happen somewhere around here. This is a $25 move. So bottom range of S1, S2 is done. I did not take this because I read NASDAQ. I'm not a long type of guy anyway. So I might as well sit from somewhere around here, 480, and then I will sit for longer. Still the 1 minute candle, is it starting to form to the upside? Yeah, slowly. We're back to pivot. So let's see if it makes, it should go and bounce somewhere around 670, 620. And my order is still sitting at 76.33 R2 and 10 o'clock news. So if you took pivot, you're done. If you took the risk at RS2 top, you're done. If you took this, you're done. I did not take any of these trades. I am waiting a little bit different. Let me show you my accounts anyway on a different screen. Let's see if I can stop share. I have a different screen sitting. Last night I took some trades because 30,000 had come. So let me switch the screen over there. Personnel and how do I share this screen? Excuse me. Share person. Yeah. So this is what I've done so far right here. My own trades from last night. I shorted somewhere around there. I'm up $800 per account since yesterday. This is a $9,000 target. A Lucid, I'm already done. From last night, most of these I'm done already. So I'm doing pros, 5 accounts. So 626. So these are all done. So I'm waiting. Let's see if it goes back up. This I locked already. So once I can't trade these accounts because I didn't want to touch them. It's $1,000 account, which I kind of, so anyway. And Tradeify, I'm doing the $9,000 target, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and submitted almost $844, shorting from somewhere around which zone, 29. So right around here, I shorted 29,998, and then these are my trades on this. Tradeify is done. Blue Sky. Yes, I'm doing Blue Sky as well. Let me see if I can show you guys Blue Sky. Different accounts. Blue Sky. Okay. Is it here? No, these are funded next. This, I think it's on a different machine. Same thing, guys. I don't. It should see. This is my boxes are here, so I'm very comfortable going long somewhere around here. So I'd say 60-minute boxes are here for fib. This whole swing is 307 points. If it goes back up, S1 could act as a good resistance. So somewhere around 900. So let me pull it back up in a 1-minute chart. Give me a second. So what is my swing? So around right, this is a $223 swing. So let's do 2 micros, somewhere around $923. Go back to 60. Yeah, somewhere around, even I can bring it down to, I'll take a trade around 901. Okay. These are funded with a little bit of aggressive trading. So, and then I'll place an order somewhere around 495. Okay, that's good enough. So here's my game plan for this right now. Okay. My game plan, if you see, let me zoom in for everybody. What have I done? Tradified accounts. I'm showing again. I don't think first time ever I'm showing. Nothing is showing. Come on, जी ऐसे ना करें. Zoom पे तो आ रही है. You guys can see on Zoom, right? I mean, not on live stream. Zoom. My arrows and everything. I'm training. Zoom is okay, guys. Live stream, nothing is showing, but Zoom is fine because I can draw some. All right, so somewhere around here, I will plan to go sell. Come on. Clear drawings. Let me change this to shape. So came down to $307 move. If it retraces back, how much percent? Give me a second. Telegram is audio only today, G. Telegram, live stream, YouTube only audio, only Zoom have my screen because I'm not at office, so I'm actually doing this from home. I have a doctor's appointment very soon. I didn't want to miss it, but I'm doing so somewhere around, so let's look at 307. 307, this whole swing was $307. So I skipped pivot, I skipped S2, I skipped everything. So my 2 micros on this account on Tradeify, I'm planning to go long somewhere on 494. And then around 901, I will plan to go sell. I'll use S1 as a resistance. Price is traveling from the down, and I'm watching a 60-minute chart. So what have I done? So 307, 80%, 245. If it goes from 755 to 245, which way am I doing? 307, 78%. 307, 78%, 239 plus 755, 994, but I'm taking a little bit of earlier. It should be somewhere around here, but I am taking my risk at 901. So it opened here from this point, approximately 30,000, and it shot down. Now it's heading back up. So this is my retrace swing. So actually, yeah. Okay. Swing, retrace is happening right here. So my swing, retrace, no extension. So let's see. So I'm taking my risk somewhere around this number. I think it did come as close to bottom range of S1. Let me zoom in because I want to zoom in to see where exactly it went. Yeah, 865. Our range was 870. No worries. So I'm waiting for somewhere around 900 to do a retest of a retrace. So where's my 1 minute? Yeah. Come on. Pull up a little bit more. Even somewhere around here. I'll take a risk. Remember, guys, this is my Tradeify funded. I'm getting inside S1. So my entry is very close to, where's my entry? So my entry for a short position is somewhere around here. 895. Let's see. I missed this. Had I taken this, my 4 or 5 points would have been done. I did not take it. So I'm going to take my entry somewhere higher. I know my audio is not only audio is coming on MES. Let's look at MES. I know somebody just asked. Let's look at MES. So this is my entry planning. I'm already done my trades on the, so let's log into Tradeify quickly to kind of show you what exactly is happening. Let me see. This is Lucid. Lucid is already done. $100 target is done. So I can get a payout soon. Let's do Tradeify because where is Tradeify? Give me a second. Let me copy and paste Tradeify. Trade await, TD, FY. 30 seconds. I'm just going to copy and paste. TD, FY. Okay, Zoom, share screen. Share screen. No. Wrong screen to be shared. Oh my. Share screen, personnel. Yeah, this is the one I need to share. Okay, so had I taken bottom of S1 as a resistance, but I did not. I'm still waiting for, why is the price stopped? I think I got, my price just stopped. What happened? 838, that's not the price. Let me disconnect. This happens sometime. If price stops, I will go ahead and, come on. Maybe I'll watch the price from Lucid. Okay, where's the price at the moment? 868, 870. Okay, it's going back up. So I'll disconnect Lucid. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Let's see. Does it give me any profit? Let's do a 15-minute candle or even a 1-minute candle. Switching fast. All right, come on, pick me, come on, pick me, pick me, pick me. Where's my orders? Oh man, my luck. It went to 890 and my orders were 895. Come on, yaar, aise na karo. Sorry guys, this is what happens. It went as high as this. Maybe I'll get something out. No, bad luck. Bad luck meaning I had calculated it, but I kind of missed by 5 points right here. See, 890, wherever The prediction is yesterday we missed it by some points. Let me go to make sure. 70, we are back in R1 on that zone, but see, I missed my trade by 90. My order was sitting, whereas my orders were sitting at state. Let me upgrade fields, canceled, working. I was sitting at 494 and it came to 8, sorry, not 494, 29. That's the bottom one, 895, 891. Come on. यार ऐसे ना करो यार 892 से चली गई. Come on, man. Dang it. All right. Okay. If you want to be like that, be my guest. यार इसलिए बहुत annoying हो जाता है ये NASDAQ to try to do. चलो एक चक्कर और एक और. जूम में ऑडियो ठीक आ रही है जी मयूर भाई. जूम में ऑडियो सही आ रही है. So I missed my trade by 2 points. Oh my God, it's super annoying. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. So I had said that, okay, this is the swing. This is a retrace. Let's see. And I'm planning to buy somewhere around here. And upper range, थोड़ा सा miscalculate हो गया 2 point. कुछ नहीं वरना point अच्छे आ जाने थे. So 881, 82. Let's see. You never know. I'll slightly move up. Okay, 898 now. This is dang stupid, man. चलो कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. पैसे बने हुए हैं. ऐसे हो जाता है. अपनी प्राइस से आगे पीछे नहीं हिलना. नहीं आई तो नहीं आई. मैंने ऑर्डर लगाया था 8. अब मैं इस ऑर्डर को कर रहा हूँ कैंसिल क्योंकि ये ऑर्डर हो गया ख़त्म. 895 पे लगाया था 893 से चला गया. Now bottom order is still on. Okay. MES की तरफ आता हूँ जी. वेट करें. अभी देखते हैं कि इसकी स्विंग की मैं मैथ कर लूँ ज़रा. सो अगर मैथ करना है तो आसान होता है. 307 कैल्क 307 78%, 239 plus 29,755, 994. Somewhere around right here is my next entry. Okay, we'll see. And of course, if it goes back down, see, I was hoping it would bounce somewhere around here, 895, but it bounced from 2 points away. So now I've pushed my entry to 995. Where have I come up with this number? The number I came up with is pretty simple, actually. So go on a 60-minute chart, look at the swing from higher high to the next number. And because it has changed the direction to the upside, so coming back to the area, here's my swing. This was my original retrace somewhere around here, and it came down a little bit from here. It did come down. Now I would like to enter somewhere around here. Now that's my plan. So clear all drawing. So again, my swing 307 points. It bounced to 292. So let's look at the number. Where did it exactly bounce? 29,755. 29,755 minus 29,992. So $237. 237 divided by 307. So about 78%, very close to my original. So okay, no problem. So we wait because I was waiting here to conservative, Had I been a little bit aggressive, this gave me some point, but I should have taken it, but it's okay. As long as you don't get stuck in a bad trade, you're fine. That's the way I look at it. I'm not in no rush to my trades properly. Try to do as many. On the other side, yes, my number is sitting at 76.33. So waiting somewhere around there. And now I've placed my trade at, let me do this. So here's my report card for today. So how did I take some trades? This is today. Today was mostly, these negatives are due to average, but micros, everything is micros, guys, as usual. So yesterday I made some money before midnight. Yeah, it's approximately $1,800 yesterday. So I started these 5 accounts not too long ago because I wanted to give trader 550,000. So how much have I made? $3,700 out of, or 4,000 out of 9,000. And how long did I take? So I think this week I did everything. So last week was 0. There is nothing. Yeah, so this week, yeah, everything was made within 4 or 5 days. No problem. That's just the report card. What do I need? Superareas.com. Fibonacci. My swing has been 29,755. Swing size 307. It's coming from a higher low. It's heading back. So yeah, 29.96. Where did it bounce from? Okay. 6. Yeah, somewhere around here, I should get good results. 241 points. So 29.96. So I've moved it around here. It's coming back to pivot. Oh man, I missed a big chunk. Had I taken some time, I do like to press market, but I missed the trades by a couple of points. No worries. It's okay. So coming back, let's analyze MES. Let me copy this. Let me change this to MES because MES. Okay, 60 minutes. So where are we right now? Let me go back to 60 because that's where. Because when you're trading numbers, you're not looking at 15, 10, 30, 20. You're only looking at swings. So this is today's swing. Let me go back. This is 60. So somewhere around 33 is my, so right here is my entry. 33. Okay. And then where would I go long? Nothing before expected low. Or if you can, maybe you can go somewhere on value area. Let me add value area to ES. Sorry. This chart doesn't have value area. All right, so where is my trying? So there's lots of multi-supports. You have value area bottom, the top. This is where it bounced from. You have your pivot. That's number 2. Clear drawings. Let me redraw and let me see what number. Okay, white line. So original, my waiting for 76.33. That's where I will go ahead and sell. Then you have, if support was, you have value area top. You have 60-minute mid and pivot. You have value area bottom. You have ninja pivot. And then you have last week's low. But my ultimate number is this. 75. What's the number? 75.43 is reasonable. Yesterday we had given this 76.60. But sorry, 75.60. I think everybody went long. 24 is coming. So this is ES, but where are we for NASDAQ? NASDAQ is completely opposite. So let me clear NASDAQ here. So my sell order is sitting at 995, and then my buy orders are sitting at 493, somewhere around there. So these are the two. This would have been a great ride down from all the way here had I had it picked up. It's okay, no problem. It is what it is. Video is not. Why is my audio low, guys? I don't know. Zoom. Zoom is. Give me a. How can I get you? Maybe 1 second, guys. How do I do this? Audio. Microphone, MacBook, normalize. Some say audio is okay, some say audio is bad. That's microphone. Audio testing, audio. It's low, okay. Audio testing. Where's the mic for this anyway? Is it here? Audio test. Very low. It is low, guys. Something is wrong. Audio test. Come on. Sorry, man. The first time ever I try to do this on. Okay, test. Audio is testing audio. Come on. How can I make this? Audio is very low. You guys are correct. Sound settings. Input level. All right, I'll try to speak louder. That's all I can do at the moment. Audio is fine. Maybe you can watch me on maybe you can watch the screen on Zoom, but listen to me on the audio other way. That's the only one way I can think of. Sorry, I'm not on the floor today, so because of doctor appointment, trying to do this from here. So how did I calculate the swing? That was the question. So look, our 60-minute chart, our things started at somewhere around 30,062. So my swing has been this big, 314 points. So I'm skipping right now. If you want to go, I should have gone short from S1, but I missed that trade completely. So here's my swing. This was my retrace, and now it's coming back as an extension. So the swing retrace extension is being born. So if it goes back up 994, I doubted that I can have any doubt at the moment. So we'll see. So I am planning to go long from this fib box, green, bottom of the green. 493 is my order. Here I missed it by 4 points, but look, the points went from 88 all the way down to that's $150 I missed. Crap. It's okay. It's a good cry. It's a good cry. No worries. So if you're listening to me on the Zoom is where I'm sharing my screen from home today. I don't have the equipment. I will plan to do it so I can do more and more of these drawings because I see a lot of people when they're listening, they're not understanding. So drawing these lines makes much easier. Swing 323 points. So don't worry, I'll try to do these more. So where am I waiting for? Is 493.94. I can even make my order bigger, higher, slightly. Maybe I'll take a risk at 502. There you go. But as close 2 micros, price is coming down sharply. What's happening on my MES? So it has broken S2 one more time, and it should come down. Come on down. More. 700. So as I was saying earlier, it should stop somewhere around here. This is around 700. It should stop, which is mid of yesterday. It has filled the green, blue box. Now, a good support could be in between hit and run. I'm waiting for a proper support. So you have this as a support. This has broken. So come on down more. So it could stop somewhere around here. Okay. So I could take a ninja pivot. Right now it is the last week's low at the moment. So if you double click this line, so it says prior week's low. So it is standing at the moment at last week's low. So it should. Can I take some risk around ninja pivot? Yeah, absolutely. So somewhere top of the green box. Okay. 2 micros is fine here. I've already made some money. How much money I have made? Accounts. I've made 800 bucks. It's okay. I'll take a risk somewhere around here. And from 586 and then maybe average down later. But my risk is now beginning. It's almost a $400 move. So this seems like a reasonable risk on this size of account. So I hope I'm short somewhere. That's where always I think अपने हाथ खड़ा किया जी attendees. हाँ जी, you can ask questions. I've given you the mic. Mr. Patel, you can आप बात कर सकते हैं जी. Ask to unmute. So you can ask questions around here. Today you can. It's just when I'm in the classroom, so many things are happening. Here I'm just sitting alone in my office. There's zero distraction. So I'm running it like a live session Zoom, right? So anyway, if you have questions, I can give you the mic and you can ask here. It's not 60-minute. It's just based on how I will see. I'm using the chart to watch the entries, nothing to do with number of points. So 2 micros, I will see how fast it can go up. So my entry right now is just to zoom in. Let's go to a 1-minute chart. So it's coming to my price very soon. So I have decided this is somewhere reasonable target. So look, it has given me 638, another 254-point move. So let's go back to maybe a 15-minute, 360. Every chart will do different calculation. 361 is 361 on 15-minute, but on a 1-minute candle, the swing size is different. So I'd rather take a 5 minute or 15. Okay, 361 point. So it should go back up. 29,638, 361, 29,638, $360 move. So it should give me 920, the deepest retracement. It will go 818 should be a good, anything after 818. So 818, 850. What is if it's a $360 move, it should stop 723, 755, 818, 861. Let's see. We're 860, 850, 818. Did not go there. So it bounced from 638. But if it's bouncing, let me go back to see. That's why I switch a lot of charts quickly to see where my next boss. If it's a $250 move, 200 and swing size is different. It should stop somewhere around 765. So, and what's the next pivot? Did it stop? 790. Yep, definitely pivot could work as a resistance. Now, okay. So I quickly just monitor with NASDAQ where could be my possible entries just using this tool, super areas, fib, and just say, all right, but remember, the swing size is different on every chart. Say on a 1 minute, the range is 254 points of swing. In a 5 minute, the range is 361. In a 15 minute, range is 361. So 30 minutes, the range is 361. And 60 minutes, the range said within 30, it's 424. If you take a 60 minute, of course, you're going to sit somewhere around 424. Retracement somewhere around 29,850. 850 would be somewhere around here. It's fine. But I'll take pivot as a resistance. Let's see. 800 now. So now the price is coming back up. It should stop somewhere around pivot as a resistance. So that's how my behavior is with NASDAQ is I kind of calculate my possible, of course you have the areas up and down, but then I keep looking at, all right, should I take pivot or not? Does it fall within my Fibonacci somewhere ranges? And this tool is really good in terms of, so I don't care 60 minute, 1 minute. I just want to be as accurate that which swing can I take? So, okay. And for scalping, of course, we're back up to ES is still sitting at 76.33. ES, look, ES swings are different. See, problem with ES, it hasn't made it is a single swing from all the way for 60 minutes. Let's look at some. ES is relatively easy because you have different numbers to work with. NASDAQ, you got to continuously calculate. So ES is big swings today, large swings. So I'm waiting again on ES somewhere around here. Wait till if it goes make a higher high. Where's MNQ? MNQ is more fun to trade because you can continuously. So if it comes down, let me see if it's my 60 minute is still continuing. Yeah, 60 is still continuing. So there's a possibility it should stop at 586. Okay, 2 micros. See, whether I trade it on 1 minute or 30 or 15 or it doesn't matter, or I just I don't trade NASDAQ on 15, 10, 30, 20 way too fast. My charts will freeze. And here, what do I have open? Guys, my accounts, my order tickets, so my price is moving. my Flowbot, and MNQ and MES. That's it. So this is my MES. Yep. So I'll close this because I already have MES somewhere. So let's see if it goes, and it should stop somewhere around 586, 2 micros. And of course, the ultimate number is, if I go back to 60 minutes, the ultimate number is 490. 490 should be okay. So 60. I think he's doing the testify, so let's go back to 5 minutes. NASDAQ is just numbers games, guys. There's nothing to it. So this is the swing. If it retraces back up, it should give me some hit and run. I missed this. This I still feel a little bit crap about. Would have been very nice points. So calculation was okay, but with NASDAQ, 1 or 2 points is all it takes to. You would rather be too conservative or too liberal. So here, now I'm trapped the price if it's because from $30,361 move, and if it goes back up to, let's switch to 1 minute. All this is zooming in, like, so 1 minute, 5 minute is you kind of see what happens within a candle. So the 30 minutes, 60 minutes, it's just same price. The price is price, whether if I watch it on watch this. If I watch it on, whether I'm watching it on 1 minute, it's just you kind of get to zoom in. So each candle is 1 minute, high, low, open and close, same thing. So, and 4 bars will make an arrow, 4 bars this way will make an arrow. It's just 1 minute makes it easier to put your trade in. If I go zoom out, a 4-hour candle, completely different swings. So people who trade 4-hour candle have the biggest patience there is, right? So now this all has happened in 4 hours. So if we zoom in, you have 4, and then you can go as low as 1 second, but then your computer will freeze. So I go 1 minute is good enough. Okay, so I want the price to either go to 800 or I want the price to go to 586. There's no random trade because NASDAQ is completely different. And of course, he's doing the testify, so that's why prices. So let's see, 586. What do I get? Or do I get anything? So from here, it should make another lower low. And if I add divergence to it, you can have 1 minute divergence to it, but then you will have, what is it? MACDs. If you add MACDs, yeah, I can add MACDs, but my computer for 1 minute is gonna crap out. No, there you go. Moving averages. Rather not. 1 minute moving average. Nobody uses. This is the only thing I have on my charts, guys. If you want to take a picture, I can send you the screenshot. All right, let's see 586. Not much left to my Ninja pivot. So let's zoom out to see what. So it's like a lens microscope. You're going in and in. Come on. आजा थोड़ा सा नहीं उठाऊंगा अपना ऑर्डर 586 से पहले रिक्स नहीं लेना मैंने बैठा हूं कोई बात नहीं आएगी तो नहीं आएगी किस्मत यहां से बर्फ पे लिखी होती है मेरे ट्रेड की किस्मत जैसे ही सूरज पड़ता है थोड़ा सा 620 उड़ जाता है ऑर्डर So, all right. This doesn't seem like, all right, come on. This I can cancel anyway. नीचे की तरफ आ रही है, so. यार ऐसे ना करो यार, 613 कौन सा नंबर है भाई? 613 से क्यों बाउंस हो रही है तुम? 613 क्या आ गया यार? थोड़ा सा ही रह रहा है। 586 तुम चाहती हो मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले आऊं तुम्हारे लिए? नहीं, निंजा का पिवट इधर है। 584 तो मैं नहीं करूंगा, cuz I'd rather take a risk around here. All right, come on, a little bit more. 605. I know, it's annoying, guys, to watch. That's why I don't do markets. I take my precise entries. Bane, na bane, mujhe koi parwah nahi hai. It's okay. I'd rather take a risk where it's manageable risk. 597, G. Oh, stomach is growling. Time to go see a kitchen. Breakfast. आ जाओ भाई, थोड़ा सा ही दूर बैठा हूँ, कौन सा ज्यादा बैठा हूँ। 5 मिनट वाली भी पहुंच रही है। अब जाके पिवट पे रुक जाए, यही। So first we're asking to take an entry, 586 पे ऑर्डर लगाया है। Let's see, थोड़ा एक झटका और तो डन हो जाएगा। साइड पे क्या हाल है? ES has come down, वहीं पर घूम रही है ES has, no, somewhere around। आ जाओ भाई, 599, 96, 93, 94, come on यार, 89, come on, ऐसा नहीं करो यार, God damn it। एक झटका और। You know, this is where I want to feel like putting in a 88. One, 86. Shh. God, man. 88 से भाग गई यार। एक मिनट की कैंडल है। लेट्स सी, आखिरी चांस है मेरे पास। 93, 94, 98। वन मिनट में शायद पॉसिबिलिटी बन जाए, मीनिंग के सिर्फ देखने के। हो गया जी, पिक हो गया, मेरा ऑर्डर पिक हो गया। $35 पिक हो गया जी, 86 से $52। अब इसको देखते हैं जी, $2 बन गया जी। ओके, लेट्स सी। अब मैं इसको थोड़ा बैठूंगा एंड लेट्स डू सेल स्टॉप्स। लो जी, $100 बन गया जी, डन। ट्रेड एक को मैं ट्रेल कर दूंगा मार्केट से। $100 डन हो गया जी। 2 माइक्रो से 50 पॉइंट हो गया। कंग्रेचुलेशंस। एंड ठीक है जी, अब एक को मैंने छोड़ दिया, अब ये चलता रहे जी, चलता रहे। You wait and 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 then you will। अब मैंने एक माइक्रो छोड़ दिया है, कोई बात नहीं, अभी 100 बन गया था। 100 कितना प्रिसाइज है? $900 बन गया। एक माइक्रो को मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ। इट शुड गो बैक एंड आई विल एग्जिट समवेयर अराउंड 675। यहाँ पर मैं एक सेल लिमिट लगा देता हूँ। लो जी, आपके सामने $100 का ट्रेड कर लिया है। होप एवरीबॉडी गॉट इट एज आई डिड। कोई रश नहीं है, कोई पैनिक नहीं है, प्यार से चल रहे हैं। 2 माइक्रो से लिया है एंड देन यू गाइस से कि मेरे अकाउंट ब्लो नहीं होते, आपके हो जाते हैं। कितने लिए? $100 लिए। 100 का मतलब क्या है? $100 डिवाइडेड बाय 4। 100 डिवाइडेड $100 बनाना 2 माइक्रो से कितना आसान है। डिवाइडेड बाय 4, 25 पॉइंट लिए 2 माइक्रो से। $100 बन गया है, डन है। अब मैं एक माइक्रो छोड़ दूंगा और इसको देखूंगा। अगर तो वापस गई, so then I will see what happens here. So it gave me 25 points from our ninja pivot. And top, it can, if you miss this entry, wait for 495 or even, yeah, 490 से आप ट्रेड ले सकते हैं। देखिए, एक माइक्रो से अगला नंबर आ रहा है। Be ready somewhere around there. Okay, so I'll do an average later. अभी एवरेज नहीं करनी। अभी मेरे अगेंस्ट गई है 609 से नीचे आजा अगली एवरेज यहाँ करूंगा. So if you took that, you're done. So we're coming in expected low very soon. So you can start your risk somewhere around here, 518, or you can do yesterday's low. Is it yesterday's low? Yes. Yeah, the lowest low from yesterday. Yes. It's okay. So I'm 1 micron down 100 bucks. Entered here. I'll do an average later. Okay, come on. Pick this order up. Ab agla order pick ho ji. I still have plenty of room to give away. $834. If you haven't taken a trade, this is, you can start your risk at 520, but reasonable risk would be bottom of the green, but it's okay. It did not go. It went to 536. Very close. Our area is 5. No, there's no strategy. I'm just looking at fib to see where is potential reversal. So it went as close. Maybe some people did a market order right here, but is 1 minute starting to go back up yet? Not yet. Yeah, slightly. So if it closes above, or I will exit somewhere around 737. So I will let it, 677, not 737. I will exit somewhere around there. So go back to 60 minute. Sorry guys, did not go to our area, so, but it's okay. I am 1 micro running. It will come back and, 1 micro doesn't bother me. I have a huge $4,500 threshold. I already have made 921. So since you guys joined in the morning, we have only taken 1 trade, and I will exit 75 points. So 609 to 675. I will let it run. I have until 4 o'clock. So 675 minus 609, 66 times 2. So this should give me a $132 trade, but wait, it's not done yet. He's still testifying. So if you want to take a risk, wait for 495. If you have taken 680 this trade already, that 585, which is okay. So what am I doing right here since it's not going back up? At 495, I will add my second lot. So what did I do? At Ninja Pivot of 586, I entered with 2 lots. I took 25 points. I secured $100, and I wasn't sure if it's going to climb back up. So I let 1 micro running. Okay. It gave me almost break even and maybe $10, $20. I did not get out. But if I have to do an average, look, where am I going to average? From 609 to almost $100 later. So 2 possibilities. It can go back up to 675. I will exit my trade. Why 675? This is the prior week's low. So it should give me some sort of resistance there. So if it goes back up, I will exit the trade. But if it goes to 494, I will average and exit right there. So 60 minutes. Let me go back. I'm already at 60. Let me go back to 5 minutes to see if it has started to build the candle to the upside. Not yet. So we have a black candle. So let's see if it continues to go up. If it breaks 603, then we are heading back up. So 1 minute kind of gives you an idea if the reversal has started yet. So there you go. Reversal has started. So I don't panic. I don't get excited anymore. I don't get depressed anymore. It's just numbers, man. End of the day, how much is my investment? But just play properly. You won't have any, and payouts after payouts after payouts do come in. Treat it like your own money. Because end of the day, if you're losing time, you're not losing money. So if you play wrong, you just wait for NASDAQ to, get to your number, potential number where you would like to enter from. So I'm a very conservative trader when it comes to NASDAQ. And I know some people get excited watching $30. Some people get depressed watching minus 35. But my strategy is, hey, we'll see. It will give me 674 जाएगी यार. अभी तो सिर्फ 11 बजे हैं. So one game plan is I'll exit at 674. One game plan is I am doing an average at 494. But what happens? What happens if it continues to go down after 494? Let me see where can it pass up? Yes, it can go down to 303. Yesterday's low. So somewhere around there, I'll cut it off. I said, hey, it's just not working in my favor. So see, when me and Jatin talk about holding a trade, this is what happens. Yes, you can hold in 1 or 2 micros depending on your account size. It's not gonna kill you. And micro, if it goes back to 675, this is $135 trade, man. So yeah, I saw negative 100, did not panic, did not do average. I've seen what, $40, 20 points already done. So this is 1 minute. It should come back to the bottom of this 675, and then there you go. Very, very simple. Not difficult at all, man. But just wanted to यहाँ से भी आगे. So I can close. Okay, 635. So 30 points are आगे, and I'll continue. Okay, चल जा भाई, यहाँ से चला जा. 25 लॉक कर लिए, एक और एग्जिट कर दिया. अब यहाँ से सेल कर दूंगा. So I'm up to, so I took 100 plus, we're up to $1,000 on this. So $150 trade since 10 o'clock with what, 2 micros in one shot. Had we taken that, it would have been a huge ride. So it's okay. Now I'll exit at 674. If it goes against me, I still have plenty of buffer. So I took how many points I locked? I locked the 25 points. So at 25 points, you can trail. And if you think it's going to continue and re-enter it, or you can re-enter it after a retrace, but 25 point is reasonable on NASDAQ to go ahead and, so let's see. I'll go back to 60. Maybe it will come back down to, so I had locked $50. Now I would like to exit. So it's pulling back up from our expected low zone. So there you go, guys. All right, it's coming back. So if you missed the trade, you guys can take somewhere around 494. All right, let's see what is happening on ES side. Nothing. We're still sitting at 76.33. Where do I want to go? So it's coming down. I'll still do average. So it's 638. So I'll still do average, maybe around here if it goes back down that much. So sit and wait and wait and wait, and then that's it. So out of this trade, we have taken out $150. So it's coming down. Let's do. So if you have missed it, this is your entry coming to expected low again. But don't take the upper range. Wait for the bottom of the green box. It normally does fill it. So 60. All right, let's see if it goes back 600. Yeah, I should go back. Next candle in 3 minutes. All right, so come on, still waiting. Sit and wait and wait. So whole trading is waiting game, waiting for the price. So where are we? ES did not go to any particular number. Value area top slightly. So waiting for 75.70. So 30 more points, and then I will think about something. So this is let it run. We're still up quite a bit, no problem. Would like to exit at 674, no problem. I don't want to average. I don't want to add a lot. I know my plan. My plan is around there. If it goes to my expected low zone, then I will add another lot. But I would like to exit somewhere around 675, previous week's low. Candle is pulling back up slowly, surely, but let's see. And so for NASDAQ, you can do whatever in your life and continue to trade based on prices. It's such a beautiful market to trade. Yes, it is slower, so you can scalp on 1510 or 3020. Yeah, you can take let's open a chart here, new chart. Let's see if I can do this on MES. MES for those, let's do 1510 and Unirenko 1510. Okay, so what is happening on ES stage? So on 1510 scalping stage. All right, so let me clear. I don't like magic bands here. Okay, good enough. So let's show you guys trend trade on ES. I'm gonna buy on 1510. Here's my entry. Here's my stop loss. Okay, I'm getting some results, not yet. So ES 3020, I'm sure is green. My stop loss in this case is 5 points, so 20. And let's do 10 points of 40. So ES 10 and 5. Okay, my mid band. All right, this is ES trend trade. Next candle, 11 o'clock, opening low, or does it want to go? Maybe it'll make a equal low and then shoot back up. We'll worry about it later. Okay, here's my trend trade. I assume 3020 is getting green after divergence, so my trend trade is right here. I will enter. Let's forget this. One MES is not going to do anything. Okay. At least, come on. Let's give an example with 5 MES. Okay, I'm picked up 5 MES. Did I do a short? I accidentally did a short. Let's clean it up. Okay, so this is trend trade. My stop loss, I think, wait, I did it wrong. Stop loss is 20 and TP is 40. What is 3020 doing? Let me see 3020. Where's my mid band? Though the prices did not come from higher high, but it's okay. Let's say if I go 5, this would have been my mid band right here. Right here would have been my mid band. Okay, no problem. So I've taken a trend trade, 3020. I just saw on the other screen. It's starting to turn green. So this is wrong. Okay, my stop loss is 5 points. So from mid band to 5 points. So 7602 for scalping. 7602 minus 7602 minus 5, 597. That's my stop loss. This is a trend trade for MES. 3020 was green, 1510 was green. I'm still in a trade, and you can scalp, and I'll trail. There you go. My TP is here. Maybe I'll put it at a break even. So here's my break even comes. Now in this trade, I won't lose anything. Maybe you take 5 points or 1 or 2 or 3. There you go. So trend trade is not that difficult. So it is testing the S1 pivot again. Maybe we'll make an equal low somewhere around here or continue the, but let's see. If I continue right here on trend trade on ES, it's bottom of the bar on 30/20. It should pick up. So trend trade is you are green, buy, but I'm looking at 30/20. So this is trend trade. Because it's painfully slow sometime, I just switch back to NASDAQ. So it has gone against me 50 points. It gave me a couple of times a break even and maybe a bit of profit. I did not exit. So I would like to enter my second lot somewhere around 492. Yeah, it gave me. So it's coming back. Yeah, I'll be taking calls right now. I don't take calls. Sorry. Explain trend trade. Trend trade is 1510 green, 30/20 is green, buy. That's it. And 5-point stop loss. That's your trend trade. So it's coming back and it's going to push, I think, to somewhere around here. I think it wants to retest. Jatan Bhai is saying he's going to take 500. Okay, good idea. Maybe I average at 500. But I think I'm okay around here. All right, man. So I'll try to do these more and try to place trades. It's just over there. I have the classroom and then Zoom and then live stream and then, but I'll try to place the trades live on the Zoom one so you can see the actual P&L and everything. So I'll trying to do that. Still, my exit is 674. 1 minute by it wants to do a retest. It wants to do a retest. So let's do a 60-minute. It hasn't done a. So if this 60-minute will make an equal low and maybe slightly, yeah, 491, 92 is okay. So if you haven't taken a trade yet, you can take it at 492. And this is not on a SIM account, guys. It's my Tradeify. You guys can see. Already, I'm up $956 because big move came this morning. Because me and Jatin were short from 30,000, and we rode all the way down this morning too. So before I even started, we were at like 850. And now in front of you guys, we made with 2 micros $100, and then from 1 micro $50. That's 150, and then I'm down $43. So let it run. And I know my exit would be 674. Then we'll decide which way it wants to go. Did it make a 30-minute equal lows? I want to see which candle made equal lows. No, nothing on, because generally it will make an equal low. Did it make a 15-minute equal low? Yeah, kind of. See right here, it should have, it went back to 559, maybe. Even though he's testifying, there's not too much volatility. So what did I see? Negative $100 or so at 50 points against me. But I have plenty of cushion. How much cushion I have? I have the money that I've made, $1,000, plus I have 45. Where's my, how much is my cushion? Let's look at it. How much is my drawdown? $5,500 I have. So I'm not too stressed over it. So This is the DOM. It should go back up. And boom, we are back in the green zone, baby. So it's not that. So don't panic, please. Micros won't kill you. Let it ride. 1 micro at a reasonable swing. Yeah, it can kill you. 1 micro can blow up an account, but I'm doing a $4,500 account with 1 micro. If I can do it, I don't know why can't you guys. I mean, I don't know what's the... I don't blow my accounts because I go micros. आ जाएगी बेटे 74 पे आएगी 74 पे हम निकल जाएंगे फिर नीचे से दोबारा बैठ जाएंगे Do I lock? Maybe I lock. I don't know. नहीं अभी नहीं यार $50 तो बने यार 25 पॉइंट तो दे So 1 minute क्या कह रही है चढ़नी शुरू हो गई 1 minute या चढ़ रही है इतना ज्यादा दूर नहीं हूँ आ जा भाई थोड़ा सा चलो इसको नीचे 1 minute की मिड पे ले आते हैं यार आप कहते हो तो यहाँ ले आते हैं यहाँ से बाउंस होनी चाहिए 65 चलो थोड़ा सा तो दे दे $25-30 तो दे यार पैनिक नहीं करना 59 and come on फूके मार सकते हैं हम क्या करें और 40 50 चढ़े नहीं जा रही जी it's okay it's turning back 25 I'll take this much यहाँ पर थोड़ी स्ट्रगल कर रही है इससे पहले ये भी जाए next entry scalping right here 584 1 minute का mid भी strong होता है मुझे लेकिन एक दो पॉइंट सॉल्व take my risk again at now where am I taking my risk let me double check so 60 it's okay pushed back up जा तो रही है 60 minute वाली but equal low बना के do I do it risk here no I'll take more risk here मैं जा रहा हूँ जी थोड़ा सा रख के चलो जी चेतन भाई जा रहे हैं 5 और 2 पे तो मैं भी जाना चाहता हूँ जी 5 और 2 पे जहाँ मैं उनसे 501 पे चला जाता हूँ गुड इनफ है 2 माइक्रो के साथ ओके जी where are we so far इतना सिंपल है we're up to $1,000 it's okay let's see where do I want to sell now from let's see where do I want to sell let me calculate the move is $525 okay on a 60 minutes okay Fibonacci so move is $525 and my swing low is 537 calculate all right so psychological 50% is 800 where is my midpoint oh very good so there you go लगा दिया जी ऑर्डर आपके सामने देखा जाएगा So there you go. So my order is now sitting at a pivot, which is 50% move of this. So this is my swing. So 60 minute is saying that we fell $525. 30 minutes is saying we fell $462. Of course, then the swing will change. 15 minute is saying $462. 5 minutes is saying $462. So the more 462 number is coming. And 1 minute is saying completely stupid thing. Okay. So I either have to consider 60 now, or I have to consider Okay, maybe bottom range 770. Let's see if I take a 15-minute or 30-minute swing. Is 536 and 462. 536 and 462. So what's the gap for 50% of this? It's coming at 822. It's not that bad. 822 or 768. कहाँ पर है जी? 760. यहाँ पर ठीक है. If I take this swing size of 30-minute, which is giving me 462, it's saying you can start taking a risk here. But if I think of it in a 60-minute range, so my S2 is becoming a reasonable range. So pivot is falling. So all I do is my ranges. When I give you guys numbers from the thing, I have this tool open and I'm just switching back and forth between what is the best probability to do it. You can take 646 as a sell. I'm not going to. Healthy correction. Anything above 50 gives you good points, at least 25 points. So 768 is okay. So computer is saying 770, which becomes your bottom range of S2 is okay. So look, that's where I exited because it 1 minute mid band. I'm like, okay, let's take $15. That's good enough. All right, so let's get ready. 501, next candle, equal low first. It has to break. So remember, it will test somewhere around here, 531, because this is considered, the word is called double bottom or equal low. So it has to break 536, but before it does that, I would like to, 30-minute equal low, coming slowly, wait करो. अभी तो हमारे निंजा के पिवट पे खड़ी हो गई है दोबारा. उसको तोड़ दिया है, प्रेशर यहाँ से थोड़े से लोगों के स्टॉप लॉसेस हिट करके आई है, पैसा मार्केट में इकट्ठा कर लिया है. अब हम यहाँ देखते हैं कि अगर 536 टूट गया तो हम 501 पे अपने 2 माइक्रो से बैठे हैं. So coming back to the 60-minute, okay, equal low लगाने आ रही है. Ideal number, guys, is somewhere around 480, but अब फोमो जतन भाई ने क्रिएट कर दिया है तो क्या करें. वो कह रहे हैं मैं 501 से जा रहा हूँ. हाँ ठीक है, 515 भी ठीक है, बट ये भी है लाइन. तो ये कौन सा नंबर है? 480. 60 मिनट की कैंडल बड़ी पावरफुल होती है. यहाँ क्या है? 491. क्योंकि 500 पे एक सेकेंड में इसी ऑर्डर कितने पड़े हैं इसको अब मैं ज़रा थोड़ा सा जूम इन करके और एनालाइज कर लूं कि भाई 500 पे कितना ऑर्डर पड़ा हुआ है. ओके लेट्स लुक एट 500 पे बुक पे कितना ऑर्डर पड़ा है. 500 पे 250 ऑर्डर पड़ा है भाई. कुछ ना कुछ तो लेके जाएगी. 250 ऑर्डर खड़ा हुआ है. सो दैट्स फाइन. सो 531 इक्वल लो लग गया. तो 5 चलो यार 501 पे मेरी एंट्री है जी. अब इक्वल लो से ही भाग गई है वो जिसने अगर इक्वल लो लिया था तो वहीं से उसको भाग गई है. लुक, सो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इफ यू एंटर्ड समवेयर अराउंड 539 पे भी तो आपको 40 पॉइंट इक्वल लो बन जाते हैं. 30 मिनट की इक्वल लो बहुत पावरफुल है. और 60 मिनट का भी इक्वल लो था. इक्वल लो लग गया है वैसे. 536 उसको ब्रेक किया. 531 पे आई. हमारा एरिया क्या था? हमारा एरिया था जी 520. कम ऑन यार, यहाँ से ना चली जाए. चलो तो 501 पे मैं एंट्री कर रहा हूँ. 500 पे बहुत ऑर्डर पड़ा है जी. 500 पे जाके देखते हैं. हाँ ऑलमोस्ट 250 ऑर्डर पड़ा है यहाँ पर. इट्स ओके. उससे नीचे और कहाँ ऑर्डर पड़ा है? 474. 700 ऑर्डर पड़ा है. 474 पे क्या है जी? 474 पे क्या है? 600 ऑर्डर पड़ा है वहां पर. ये देखें जी, ये हमारा मैथ हो रहा है पूरा कल का। तो 500 ऑर्डर पड़ा है 500 पे, नहीं नहीं सॉरी, कम कम ऑन डाउन। ये लाइव एक्सचेंज से ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं कि रेस्टिंग ऑर्डर्स कहते हैं। सो व्हेन यू लुक एट 500, you got quite a few people sitting right here. So let me just do this. ये देखा ना, ये वाली लाइन 250 ऑर्डर पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ। So this is the best $41 I spent per month to from Rithmic. इससे सस्ता नहीं होता। और फिर थोड़ा सा बुक में नीचे चले जाओ कि किसी ने रियल एक्सचेंज पे ऑर्डर लगाए हैं ना। 470, ये देखें देखें 474 पे 700 बंदा बैठा हुआ है इस वक्त। तो यहाँ पुल मैग्नेट की तरह हो रही है। तो अगर आप 480 से लेंगे, थोड़ा सा इनके साथ कुछ मिल ही जाएगा ना। 6, यू सी दिस नंबर, ये देखें जी, ये लाइन 698 पड़ा हुआ है। तो 500 से हम जाएंगे। चलो 500 इतना ज़्यादा थोड़ी है, लेकिन इक्वल लो से उसने आपको ऑलमोस्ट कितना पॉइंट दिया है, 530। तो 70 पॉइंट इक्वल लो से मिले हैं। सो इट्स ओके, नो वरीज, नो प्रॉब्लम, नेवर हैव ए फोमो ऑन दिस। So it's okay. All right, so no worries. Still waiting. Still 11:20. We got. I know it's super boring to watch market and not jump in. Just don't. What's the rush? I don't know, man. Market is gonna be here tomorrow and the day after and the day after. So it's okay. So why goddamn rush? I know. Equal lows I didn't want to take because I just looked to scan the depth of market. DOM. इसके नीचे क्यों, you can do as look at कितने ऑर्डर पड़े हैं। 400 पे ऑर्डर पड़ा है, बड़ा चंक। So if you are hearing and you want to watch, I'm doing this screen sharing on Zoom. किधर गया जी, ये किधर गया? 500 वाले ऑर्डर के, हाँ 250 ऑर्डर वहाँ पड़ा है। और अभी भी 474 पे 700 ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है। So coming down again, let's see. I think it's gonna go and fill up 100%। जो लोग फिब का ट्रेड कर रहे हैं वो देखें, यहीं पर लगे हुए हैं 474 के। थोड़ा सा इसको डिप करके नीचे आए। ये कौन सी लाइन है जी? 488। मैं जरा देखूं स्कैन करके पिछले डेज पे डेटा सीरीज। Why did people pick up 474? Let's look at 30 days of data. 30 days में 474 का नंबर क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट आ रहा है? That's a low for 9th July. Okay. That's the only thing I can see. क्या आ रही है जी? 550 पे आ जा इक्वल लोज को दे गई एनफ. नाउ 501. अब 500 को स्टॉप करेगी अगर मेरे अगेंस्ट जाती है 25.2 माइक्रो तो ये $100 माइनस देखूंगा. ठीक है, इट्स ओके, I'll hold because it has a potential to go down to 303. So let's do a bit of a math. What can I calc? So I entered it. अच्छा आप कह रहे हैं आप 1 माइक्रो नीचे से देखे ना, जतन भाई ने 1 माइक्रो कर दिया. 1 सेकेंड. चलो जी 502 पे मैं 1 माइक्रो कर देता हूँ और दूसरा माइक्रो थोड़ा सा यहाँ कर देते हैं 477 पे. ठीक है, we'll split it. ये तो ऊपर तो आएगा. So coming back to our zoom in candle for 1 minute. So this is what I've done. 1 micro I will do. Oh man, 30 days का डेटा कर दिया, 1 minute का देखा ही नहीं. Come on, this is gonna be slow now. Go back to 60 and data series. I only need 5 days of data. दोबारा ऊपर चलेगी. So what have I done? So 500 पे कुछ ऑर्डर पड़े थे, वहाँ 1 माइक्रो लगा दिया और 400 इसको जूम इन करते हैं, थोड़ा सा और जूम इन करते हैं. So bottom of the fib यहाँ लगा देते हैं. ठीक है जी, 2 माइक्रो मेरे लग गए, 1 उधर और 1 उधर. लेट्स सी. So I taken my order and scanned. So analysis was all right. Charts are good enough. Area के अंदर आ रहे हैं, no problem. And now I would like to go ahead and take my first risk at, let's say 502. My orders are sitting at 502. And but because you have to understand that with NASDAQ, I'm planning and calculating like with every price move. So what is my equal low? Question came. What is my equal low? Okay, let me do this. Okay. When you are looking at a big candle, like a 60 minutes or 30 minutes, so you will have a, let's say our equal low, our low was 536. So you can wait for the next candle of whether 30 or 60 or 240. Don't do this on 15. 15 equal 1 minute is very hard to do. But the next candle, let me do this here. So if you look, this is called an equal low. Look at this, equal high, very close to. So equal lows will give you something. Let me go back and scan. Where can you have more equal lows? Right here. Again, ये देखें जी, और ये देखें जी, ये देखें जी, equal highs, equal, ये देखें जी. You see, there's lots of opportunity. Problem becomes when you're observing a lot, you got to take a risk somewhere. So equal lows on a 60-minute does work. अभी आपके सामने चला है, ये 2 दफा चला है, इधर चला और इधर चला. कुछ पॉइंट मिल जाते हैं इक्वल लोज में. 60 minute equal lows, equal high is good enough to give you some points. So again, price is pulling away from me. I'm not gonna randomly enter because I have no idea. If candle is red, so 60 minute is red, that if it turns green, maybe then I'll go long. So 60 is red, 30 is red, 15 I think is turning to be green. equal lows on 15 too. But then it's 1, 2, 3, 4 घंटे 4-15 minute है 60 minute के बाद हुई है 15 is starting to be green and then 5 is starting to be green and 1 of course will be green now 1 तो बहुत पक्की green हो गई है. Where will I sell from? Let's see. Okay, now price is pulling back up from equal lows. I should have taken, but I did not. It's fine. 536 से 520 एक $100 मूव हुई है प्राइस इक्वल लो से. I think it has collected enough juice, so let's come back and pick me up, fill up these green boxes and do something for me. Now $531 move. What's my retracement? 531 or 672, 850 pay. 531. So 850 पे मूव कह रहा है कि करो. पिवट भी ठीक है. पिवट 850 बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. So I will sell somewhere. ये मेरा selling point आ गया दोबारा. So now we sit and wait and wait and wait. Where's ES doing? ES is very far down. ES touched the value area top again and went back up. So ES कहाँ चले गए जी? ES का ये ES का chart. So सारी market ऐसे. So this made ES touched the value area. S1 से अच्छे नंबर दे दिए. ES मेरा long जा रहा है ये जी. ये वाली number 75 either 60. Yeah, 75, 60, and then second time, this is my buy zones. 75, 60 yesterday का जो हमने buy किया था, कल हमने यहीं से buy किया था 75, 60 से. So there's lots of numbers for ES. You can think of, अगर आप trend trade नहीं कर रहे, तो support resistance में एक number value area का है. Clear these triangles. Value area. ये देखें जी, पहला नंबर वैल्यू एरिया, दूसरा नंबर वैल्यू एरिया बॉटम, तीसरा नंबर ये वाला 75, ये लाइन जो दिख रही है. Even make it easier for you. Shape. Okay. So value area bottom, this, and my favorite around here. Don't look at this number, it's other way. कैसे करूं यार? Okay, let's do it this way. Value area. Value area bottom. यहाँ पर भी 60 पे फिब है. यहाँ पर रुकनी चाहिए प्राइस इस रेंज के अंदर. So I'm waiting somewhere around 75, 53 पे बाय करूंगा. अगर MES पे आ गया तो MES. अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा जी. I know it's boring to just watch, but then you can switch to maybe to a different market, crude oil, gold, etc., but it's up to you. Coming back to my original favorite market, NASDAQ 628. Coming back up, so equal low लगा के चला गया. Expected low से थोड़ा सा box fill नहीं किया, but I'm not, I never chase NASDAQ. यहाँ से आप long दबाएंगे तो वो जी चल जाएगा, पता लगेगा यहीं से प्राइस उल्टी हो जाए. 650 आ गए. Let's see. So I'd rather sit on my ranges, my numbers. Why is it so orange outside? Why is it so orange, man? Too cloudy. I know it's boring to sit and do nothing, but it's okay. I'd rather be safe and do sure shot entries. No worries. Now, as you get comfortable, then you can take bigger risks with micros to minis. But what is your goal for the day? 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 5,000? So for me, even one, you can do one set of accounts and do it, right? So how do I do split? So like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, $5,000 made. You can make one account, make 5,000, very difficult. With not this much threshold. So I have $5,500 available to lose. And I think I did one mini yesterday. Let me double check to show you. Last night, yes, at what price did I did a mini? You'll see a mini somewhere there. MNQ, 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 MNQ. Maybe I did it this morning, early. MNQ, MNQ. I think when the price was coming to, where is my, is it not MNQ? Which minute trades I did? NQ, MNQ, MNQ. Where did I do NQ? 11 o'clock, 21. Yesterday. I remember clearly doing NQ somewhere. Excuse me. NQ. Anyway, doesn't matter. 620 coming back. All right, pulling back again. Let's see. You say, oh, everything is green. Let's go long, and boom, price goes from 650 to 600, and then your account, your panic. So whenever you're inside the any area, when you are not sure, don't touch it. So these areas are given to you for a reason. So the moment you start thinking it will go from long, it can bounce back now. So please don't think that, wait for your number though. This is where I thrive the most in my trading, where I sit alone and I don't have to answer any questions and I can do proper analysis. So it's okay. I need to go to the office too. And the best time, if somebody can do trading in New York session, in my opinion, is 7:30 to maybe 10:30. That's it. Most of it is done. You cover everything: CPI, PPI, 8:30 news, Jolt. Get up at 7 o'clock, sit 7:30, done by 10:30. 3 hours a day is good enough to give you chunk of it. If you have the luxury to trade like longer time, of course you can trade 23 hours a day, but maybe, what's his name, is talking. Because what is equal low? Right here. The lowest of a candle and the next candle, equal low or double bottom, equal high or double top. So 9 o'clock candle high was 993, 10 o'clock was 97. So this is considered an equal high. So this candle, 60-minute equal high. Then you have a 60-minute equal low. So these candles right here is equal high. Equal means just purana candle. Again, I'm looking at it, equal high. Where else? Think somewhere, but did go against us a little. But it's nothing is 100%, but it's clear on. Let me see. Somebody's asking questions. Oh, wildfire. Where is this wildfire coming from? Okay, gee. Sorry, wildfire. Okay. Wildfire, Ontario. Wildfire, Ontario, severe. Thunder Bay. All right. Crazy. That's why. Okay. Toronto air quality rank worlds in the world. My God, wildfire. Sorry, I wasn't reading any Zoom comments. Yeah. So guys, I gotta leave at 12. So just saying the entries should be 7633 for your ES. And let me see if I can give you guys Q&A wildfire. Okay. Where should you post your questions? My WhatsApp. Everybody has my WhatsApp. Everybody has my WhatsApp. I got my WhatsApp open right away, so you can send me questions. Yeah, it's yellow, G, all yellow. My kid just came in running, and I'm like, where Thunder Bay? Interesting. Severe area. I live up near Orangeville, so it is crazy wildfires. So updated 20 minutes ago. So it's coming from this area. My God, man. So lots of wildfires. So because of course, extreme heat. So 20 minutes ago, you can have campfire. Turn it. Where are we? This is Ontario. Dryden. Red Lake. हम तो यार और नीचे हैं यार तो इस साइड पे सडबरी और नीचे हैं इतनी ऊपर कहाँ पर आ गया वाइल्ड फायर है इस साइड पे नहीं है मैं थंडर बे वाली साइड से स्मोक आ रही है हवा की वजह से हम somewhere around here yeah यहाँ पर तो कुछ नहीं है dismiss Northwest Ontario पे अच्छा जी थैंक यू जी हाँ How can you make a use of equal highs? Just वहां पर अपना ऑर्डर लगा देना जो भी उसका बाय लिमिट सेल लिमिट लगा दें ऑर्डर किधर है जी सो अगर इक्वल हाई है अगर ये 60 मिनट की कैंडल है यहाँ पर so what would be my let me close these trades and then I said all right I want to this is a 60-minute candle so my equal high of this candle and where's my order would be maybe somewhere slightly lower sell limit that's called an equal high trade if I saw this 60-minute what is my equal low 60-minute candle buy there you go this is my equal highs and equal lows but this equal low is done if I did not take this trade because I was waiting for the area did the order flip हम इस साइड पे जाते हैं कुछ लोगों ने मूव किए हैं ऑर्डर so let me see क्योंकि कई दफ़ा लोग उठा लेते हैं ना ऑर्डर 500 वाले में 500 वाले में लेकिन ऑर्डर ख़त्म हो रहे हैं आहिस्ता आहिस्ता। 500 वाले में कितना ऑर्डर, अभी भी 250 ऑर्डर इधर लगा हुआ है और 475 पे, तो चांस अभी भी 600 इस साइड पे बड़ा बल्क कहाँ पर है। लेट्स सी 800 पे कुछ नज़र आता है। 800 पे, let me change this, right click, options, and I would like to do 2500 levels. Where is the big bulk of order? 800 पे कहीं है, 798 पे पड़ा है, 807, तो 825, 830, ये देखें जी 850 पे 112 लोग बैठे हुए हैं। सो लेट मी सी 800 पे हमने लगाया कितना ऑर्डर है जी। 800 पे कितना ऑर्डर है। Still there is more sellers than there's buyers. 10,000 ऑर्डर्स इस साइड पे हैं, 15,000 ऑर्डर सेलर पे हैं, तो सेलर का प्रेशर ज्यादा है आज इस वजह से। या 798, 800 पे ज्यादा नहीं बैठे, 130 बंदा बैठा हुआ जी। सो या इट्स फाइन, पिवट पे सही है। 800 makes me, so coming back to our original orders, let's do 501 पे एक ऑर्डर, let's do zoom in, it's hard to see, 485 पे दूसरा माइक्रो, and sell it from 799. Okay. यार वाइल्ड फायर क्रेजी हो गया यार, अमेजिंग। वैसे अल्बर्टा वाली साइड पे होता है, क्योंकि हीट ही इतनी 42 डिग्री पे ये है ना। और चुप कर जा, ऐड की देख रहे हैं। वीडियो मैं लाइव नहीं देख रहा। Oh, okay, all these areas. It's intensifying. So don't go outside, guys, if you don't have to. There you go. I have to. Surrounding train. फिर ऐड आएगा। किधर है जी प्राइस? अभी तो वहीं खड़ी है जी। So I'm still, my orders are still there. Selling, buying, everything is there. How do you make a group? Very good question. Here you go. And open up Trader-Weight, manage groups, type, let's say EA 150K, drag everything inside that thing. Now you have a free copier from Trader-Weight. So, but this copier only works within Trader-Weight. So whenever you go long or short here, you have to do it from here. So, and then you could manage a group, and the quantity has to become 5 because 1 will go in each. So, but so आ रही है जी नीचे, फिर दोबारा S2 को. So 504, and my orders are where? Let me switch into a 1 minute just to kind of see. Abhi to dur bati hai, minute by minute. So we are at 588 to 501. Let's see, 30 minutes. पहुंच रही है, आ रही है गाड़ी हमारी तरफ. So just another 87 points. When it comes there, it should pick me, give me something. So where is my state? My orders are sitting. Canceled orders, working orders. So I have, because I'm on a copier, it says each account, 1, 2, 3, so 483 buying limit. These are not hedge orders because you have to understand. So 1, 2, and 2 sell sitting at 799, and 1 buy sitting at 483, 1 buy sitting at 501. But we still got like वहीं से bounce हो रही है S2 से, Ninja के S1 से. So it has to break, and it has to break this number, 530. Then we will have something, and I think I just missed the whole video over here. अगला ऐड शुरू हो गया यार. Who cares? So sitting and waiting is the game for NASDAQ, guys. I mean, a lot of people. What is the number to go long on MES? मैं आपको अभी बताता हूँ जी. 1 मिनट रुक जाएं. 1 मिनट मैं सिर्फ इधर आ जाऊं, MES वाले चार्ट पे आ जाऊं, ताकि ये लें जी नंबर 7560. आइडियल नंबर आपको ये दे रहा हूँ. 55 से 60 के दरमियान आपको कुछ बाउंस मिलेगा. 7560 कल का जो नंबर था, और यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ मिलना चाहिए इसको, क्योंकि 30-60 मिनट का मिड टूटे, ये फॉक्स पे लो, S2 टूटे. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा MES में ना लेवल्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, MNQ में इतने नहीं होते. इसमें 6-6, 8-8 तो कैलकुलेशन आ रही हैं, फिब की आ रही हैं. वैल्यू एरिया के अंदर आया, S1 है, फिर मिड है, फिर पिवट है अभी तो. लेकिन अच्छी एंट्री यहाँ से मिलेगी. एनीवेयर फ्रॉम, आप देख लो, 54 से 58 तक, 59 रीजनेबल एंट्री मिल जाएगी आपको. ये आपका है. अगर आप मुझसे जूम पे पूछ रहे हैं तो हाउ डू आई रिप्लाई जूम. आई एम ट्राइंग टू ऐड एरियाज. रेस्ट राइट क्लिक सुपर एरिया से चैट कर लें. मैं आपको एरियाज बता देता हूँ कैसे इंडिकेटर ऐड करना है. 1 सेकंड अभी दिखा देता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं है, रुको जरा. ऑलराइट, कमिंग डाउन. आ रही है जी गाड़ी हमारी तरफ आ रही है, जब आएगी तो देखेंगे. सो control center, let me shut it. Did you see outside? Did you see outside? Go outside in the backyard. Huh? Yeah, wildfires.
Why is it hiding?
It's, I know. Don't go outside.
Yeah, we just
Okay.
in the backyard, and it smelled.
Can I finish my work? Another 50.
It smelled so bad because remember when that wooden house got on fire? It smelled like that.
Okay. Just 10 more minutes. I'm done almost. I gotta leave it.
In the meeting.
Yes, I'm all right. Yes, I'm talking to people.
Okay.
Close the door. Turn on the news over there.
Look outside.
I know. This kitty. Okay. Sorry, guys. When you do this at home, coming. aa jayegi. So where was I gonna show you? So new, you can take any chart, add any area. So chart, let's do MES, and let's do minute chart. If you want to make a new chart, minute. I will do this 30 minutes. I will right click, indicators, super areas, type in your username, password, and that's it. It will just show up there. So then your areas will get plotted. Make sure your username, password is correct. Okay. All right. So 574. This is next candle is going to open at 12. So we have a very good chances that it could go down here. It's coming fast. So we'll see. तेजी से देखें ना, 15,000 यूजर सेल कर रहे हैं एंड ऑर्डर लगे हैं 15,000 और 10,000 यूजर बाइंग में है। तो बाइंग की ऑर्डर कम है सुबह। वाह, मेजोरिटी सेलर बैठा है आज, गुड है। पता नहीं वाल्श क्या कह रहा है, अभी तो यहीं पर घूम रही है। इट हैज टू ब्रेक 531, देन 500, देन 480, देन so the lowest could go is again, where's MES right now? MES तो वहीं खड़ी है। MES, your S1 got 10 again, but I'm waiting for 75. Let's do 75. Yeah, 60, 58 somewhere. Oh, आजा NASDAQ. It's okay. Again, let's push 15 minutes. क्यूआर भाई, मैं देखें, आप अगर जूम पे देखें, मेरे लाइव ट्रेडिफाई के अंदर लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पर 501 पे और 480 पे। एक माइक्रो इधर है, एक इधर है। सो मैं यहाँ पर 501 पे सपोर्ट पे बैठा हूँ। तो लेट्स सी, क्योंकि जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, मैंने सारे आपको ट्रेड जूम पे करके दिखाए हैं बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन द ऑफिस टुडे, आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट, आई डिडंट वांट टू गो टू द ऑफिस, रन इट, कम बैक होम, so that's why I'm just doing it from Zoom from my home. So Zoom, I can share my own screen. This is where I trade. What you normally see on the other Zoom is like a demo account, but here results for today, accounts about $1,000 approximately. We're done. And on Lucid, not Lucid, yeah, Lucid में के प्रो अकाउंट लिए थे मैंने। Where is Lucid? Blue Sky भी कर रहा हूँ। Blue Sky में मैंने कर दिया almost. These are instant PAs, 1,000. So I need to make 5,300. So anyway, so I'm done 430. इसमें मैं $100 बनाता हूँ क्योंकि डेली लॉस लिमिट है। So ये 100 ही बना हुआ है। तो different accounts, different servers, take profit is different. And Tradeify and let's do Lucid. 100 तो कंपनी है यार। इसके अंदर बना हुआ है प्रो के अकाउंट में मेरे 600 बन गए हैं, हाफ हो गया। So it's okay. So this I locked, so I can't accidentally trade. लॉक हो गया, सारों को लॉक है। So but anyway, आ रही है। So 501 पे एक माइक्रो लगाया हुआ एक्सपेक्टेड लो पे। कहाँ से मैंने एनालाइज किया जी कि अगर एक्सपेक्टेड लो में अगेन ये देखें जी कहाँ ऑर्डर ज़्यादा बैठा हो। 474 पे 700 ऑर्डर हो गया, राइट। प्राइस पुल हो रही है और एक ऑर्डर बड़ा है एंड 500 पे 235 ऑर्डर, 33 ऑर्डर डिफरेंट चेंज हो रहे हैं। गाड़ी चल रही है ऑलमोस्ट। आस्क साइज 15,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, बिड साइज 10,000 से ज़्यादा सेलिंग हो रही है। ट्रेड वॉल्यूम मैं नहीं देख रहा। ओके 15,000 आ रही है। सो यहाँ का वेट कर रहा हूँ, जब तक आएगी नहीं तो नहीं उठूंगा, आ गई तो ले लूंगा। और बन जाने थे पैसे लेकिन कंग्रेचुलेशंस जी, आपने पर्डिया पास कर लिया दुबई से, पे आउट रिक्वेस्ट कर लिया, वेरी गुड, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। 10 days. Did you get the temp account? So with NASDAQ, I don't, again, we wait and wait. आप यहाँ से कहो नीचे क्यों नहीं सेल कर देता, यहाँ जा रही थी ना कैंडल 15 मिनट वाली ऊपर, फिर एकदम उसका रिवर्सल कोई वॉल्श ने टेस्टिफाई किया है. फेड चेयर टेस्टिमोनी चल रही है, लाइव चल रही है. यस, CNN फेड चेयरमैन टेस्टिमोनी यूट्यूब. या बोल रहा होगा. वेट कर यार, लाइव क्वेश्चन चल रहे हैं. या बोल रहा है जी, बोल रहा है, 2 घंटे से बोल रहा है. So let me do this into filter, none USD, apply filter. So yeah, beige book 2 PM है और 12 बजे वाली कैंडल खुलने वाली है. Let's see किस साइड पे खुलती है. So this is, so 12 o'clock is here guys, and it's opening 15 minute वाली तो green है, but let me see 1 hour का equal high क्या है. 1 hour वाली कहाँ जाती. So this will be considered an equal high. So if you want to take a trade, maybe ये equal high है जी. इक्वल लो तो हो चुका है, ये और ये मैच हो गए हैं, तो इक्वल हाई 661 पे रुक सकती है. अभी नहीं पता, अभी तो ऊपर जा रही है. 5 मिनट कैंडल भी क्या कह रही है, 1 क्या कहती है. नीचे नीचे नीचे, ऊपर नहीं है जी. या तो गई थोड़ी सी ऊपर, थोड़ा सा स्पाइक दिया, अब आ रही है, शायद अब कवर कर दे रही. लो जी, days 5. I want to leave, but might as well see the orders. Come on, भर जा. पेंट हो रही है 47, 49, 49. ES का क्या हाल है, ES को भी देखते जाए ना साथ साथ. 791, अभी 55 पे आ जाइए, then I'm comfortable buying. $42 ऑर्डर बुक फॉर MES. मैं इसकी आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम बना दूंगा यार, आप लोग सारे देखते रहोगे, पूरा स्कैन होता रहता है करंट ऑर्डर बुक का. सो ऑर्डर बुक 37 पिछला तोड़ गया जी, 32 तोड़ने वाला जी, 31 31 31 31 31। मैं अभी बुक देखता हूँ जी, ये मेरे ज़रा करीब आ गई है, 12 बजे वाली कैंडल, 15 आ गई आ गई आ गई आ गई आ गई एरिया के अंदर, 1 मिनट में आ जाते हैं। All right, we are getting very close to our 17. We are inside the area and हमारी किस्मत देखो 501 देखते हैं, 519 517 लो आ गई भाई 500 वाले पे। हम कहाँ बैठे हैं, ये देखो कितना ऑर्डर लगना शुरू हो गया, 500 पे 42 245 लोग बैठा है, 522। और यार इधर से ना भाग जाना यार, क्या कर रहा है। एक 1 मिनट वाली और नीचे आओ, 60 मिनट वाली तो हमारे एरिया से ही बाउंस कर रही है। लेट्स सी, एरिया के तो अंदर से तो आ गई, 10 पॉइंट तो उसने दे दिए। आई डिड नॉट टेक इट, इट्स ओके। किसने लिए तो ले लिए 10 पॉइंट एरिया से। हमारा एरिया 20 था, 20 से 30 मिल गई। अब देखो किस्मत हमारी बर्फ पे लिखी होती है, धूप पड़ती है तो ऑर्डर पिघल जाता है। So it's okay, I'm not deviating from my orders just because it FOMO जो है ना, यहाँ से मार्केट दबाएंगे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। ऑर्डर मिस हो गया कोई बात नहीं है, इट्स ओके। कल भी मार्केट खुली है, परसों भी खुली है। हो है तेजी है अभी भाई, बहुत गर्मी है। 1 मिनट वाले में आ जाता हूँ, जरा जूम इन करना आसान हो जाता है। हाँ 1 मिनट के अंदर अंदर क्या हो रहा है। ठीक है जी, 517। गुस्सा तो चढ़ेगा अगर यहाँ से चली गई, बट क्या करें, जहाँ पर लोगों ने 500 250 ऑर्डर लगाया है तो हम, ये तो लाइव ऑर्डर वाले हैं भाई, ये सारे लाइव ऑर्डर वाले हैं। हम तो फिर फंडेड खेल रहे हैं, फंडेड खेल रहे हैं हम। 515 आ जा भाई, 501 आ जा आ जा आ जा, जरा 10 पॉइंट की दूर है, प्लीज प्लीज। पहले दुआ उधर हो रही है, नीचे आए, फिर ऑर्डर पिक होता ही दुआ शुरू हो जाती है भाई, ऊपर आ जाए। टेम्पटेशन तो है, आ गई आ गई। ओ क्या करूं, क्या एक एक डिप और, नहीं नहीं। हाँ 505 से चली गई, नहीं नहीं नहीं, यार 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 हो गया। लो जी, ऑर्डर फिल हो गया। अब देखते हैं, 501 वाला तो हो गया जी, 10 पॉइंट बन गए हैं जी, 10 पॉइंट बन गए 501 से। वेट करता हूँ, अगर 501 से 10 हो गए, 10 minutes ही, so I'm just almost done. आजा आजा नीचे, एक माइक्रो 500, 5 मिनट में चलते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा जूम इन हो गया। आ रहा है जी 501 वाला 497। एक मिनट में दोबारा चलते हैं। एक सेकेंड जी, ये मेरी चल रही है जी कैंडल। 489 पे गया था, 483 पे भी आ जा, दूसरा ऑर्डर वहां पे को लोगों ने 474 पे लगाया हुआ, जस्ट रिमेंबर। ज्यादा ऑर्डर 475 पे है, 713 ऑर्डर लगा है। सो अभी तो ऊपर ही जा रही है, 475 है। इसको अब कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए, लेट्स सी। अभी तक इसको एटलीस्ट 583 तक जाना चाहिए, अभी 486। तीसरा माइक्रो मैं एक 10 के पार्ट लगा लूंगा ताकि मेरी एवरेज आ जाएगी 480। 474 का वेट कर सकते हैं, हो गया, 2 ऑर्डर पिक हो गया जी, मेरी एवरेज हो गई 492। इसने 474 पे जाना है जी, बहुत ऑर्डर लगा है यहाँ पर। तो 486, ये देखें ना, 476, 715 ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है यहाँ पर, तो इट शुड गो, जानी चाहिए। इधर क्या हाल है, सो 481 तेजी आई है फुल मार्केट में। ईएस का क्या हाल है? So if you are not entered, you can wait for 476. बहुत ऑर्डर लगा है 476 पे। We are in 479 तक आया है। So it should come to at least 6 यहाँ तक हमारा जो निंजा का पिवट है। मैं 581 तक खींचना चाहता हूँ इसको। 492 492 492 लो जी, बन गए हैं जी, कुछ बन गए हैं जी, पैसे बन रहे हैं। पैसा ही पैसा, पैसा ही पैसा है। पीजी कहते हैं ना, पैसा ही पैसा, पैसा ही पैसा। कोई बात नहीं, 25 पॉइंट तो निकल गए हैं। नहीं, 25 नहीं निकले, 10 निकले। चलो थोड़ा यहाँ क्लोज करता हूँ और एक छोड़ देता हूँ, चलता रहे भाई। एक को छोड़ देता हूँ और यहाँ निकलूंगा 80 पॉइंट के बाद कुछ। और दूसरी एवरेज क्या है मेरी? पोजीशन क्या आई है जी? पोजीशन आई है 508। चल भाई, तो इफ यूर डन योर ट्रेड, यूर डन। आपको मिल गया जी 2 माइक्रो से 60-70। एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस, सॉरी, दिस इज माय ट्रेडिंग। ऑलराइट, एंजॉय करो जी। हो गया जी, ट्रेड डन हो गया जी। 502 वाले भी डन हो गए। 500। अब मैं अगली एवरेज करूंगा थोड़ा नीचे जाके। कहाँ? 474 वाले ऑर्डर क्या क्या बना? जा सकती है अभी। 5 minutes, I'm coming. I'm coming. Just wrapping it up. अभी भी ऑर्डर लगे हुए हैं 474 पे। So I could go and still go pick it up. So I will do a second lot at 475 पे। 479 475 पे कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। एग्जिट हो गया तो मैं निकल जाऊंगा 4580 पे। हमारा जो निंजा का पिवट है, तो एग्जिट में यहाँ निकल रहा हूँ S2 S1 पे। So and then let's see guys, so there you go, you guys have seen my actual trades now. ठीक है जी, enjoy जी। Okay, इसको 474 पे बाउंस करना चाहिए जी। 474 पे बड़ा ऑर्डर लगा है। लेट्स सी। नीचे आ गई तो मैं वहाँ एवरेज करूंगा। कितने पॉइंट के बाद? 75 25, ऑलमोस्ट 35 पॉइंट के बाद माइनस $70 हो जाएगी। सो आई कुड हैव टेकन मोर बट इट्स ओके। इट्स 1 माइक्रो से यार क्या घबराना है, देखेंगे। इतना बुरा हाल तो नहीं है यार। एमईएस का क्या हाल है? 83 पे। एमईएस को और नीचे आने दें यार। एमईएस को एटलीस्ट 60 पे आने दें। फिर ये और गिरेगी 303 पे तो वो 60 पे आएगी। अभी इसको थोड़ा सा रिकवरी देनी चाहिए। स्टिल 15 मिनट वाली कैंडल 60 का क्या हाल है? इसको रीटेस्ट होना है बाद में। पूरा बॉक्स भर गया। 30 87 87 89 90। 5 मिनट में क्या हाल है? 85। 1 मिनट का क्या हाल है? चल भाई रक्षा होते जा, या समवेयर अराउंड हियर इसको ले जाओ ऊपर। मुझे कितने मिलेंगे? 80 पॉइंट 80। यस 80। $160 का ट्रेड है टेक्निकली एक माइक्रो से। अब देखते हो, मैं स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाता। आई ऑब्जर्व इट, और ऑब्जर्व के अंदर अंदर मैं देख लेता हूँ कि व्हाट इज माय एक्शन प्लान। अगर बहुत बड़ा गर्क हुआ तो देखेंगे। अभी कोई नहीं स्टॉप लॉस। अकाउंट्स भी चल रहे हैं। 850 से आपके साथ शुरू किया था तो 1075, तो $200 का ट्रेड 1030 से ना 10 o'clock 9:30 से 12 तक आया $200। कितने माइक्रो? दो एक जगह, एक जगह, तीन माइक्रो से ये काम चला रहा हूँ। $200 निकालने कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है। सिर्फ आपको श्योर होना चाहिए कि यहाँ मेरी एंट्री होगी एंड यहाँ मेरा एग्जिट होगा। तो अभी 75 वाले ऑर्डर पड़े हैं। लोग जो अगर आपने दोबारा एंटर करना है, ले चुके हैं, तो प्लीज वेट करें 75 पे। ये देखें ना, ऑर्डर बुक पे 711 ऑर्डर पड़ा है भाई, प्लस ये 200-400 ऑर्डर तो ये भी पड़ा होगा, लेकिन बिग बल्क पड़ा है यहाँ पर 475 पे। और एमईएस पे देखते हैं जी, एक सेकेंड। एमईएस एमईएस पे हम लोग वेट करेंगे जी। 60 पे बड़ा ऑर्डर पड़ा है, ये देखें 60 पे 124 ट्रेड पड़ा है। और कहाँ पर बड़ा पड़ा है? 50 पे पड़ा है, तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके। बहुत, ये देखें 2 3 4 5 सौ 1000 ऑर्डर तो ये पड़ा है। तो 65 पे भी पड़ा है। 60, ओह दूसरी एवरेज हो गई मेरी जी। लो जी, 74 पे किसी ने पिक किया है, तो 5 पॉइंट हो गए। अब मैं इसको बंद कर दूंगा। अब देखते हैं, अब नीचे जा रही है 73 से 75 वाले ऑर्डर पिक हो चुके हैं। सो लेट्स क्लोज दिस। लेट्स 75 वाले, अगला ऑर्डर कहाँ नीचे पड़ा है? अगला 71, 75 से 86 हो गया जी, डन। आपका ट्रेड डन हो गया जी। अब यहाँ पर मुझे दो आ गए। So because I'm on an average, I would like to exit here and then run one. Sell limit 3, और यहाँ से मैं करूँगा ब्रेकआउट से बाय स्टॉप 1। 70, 10 पॉइंट मिल गए थे आपको जी 74 वाले और ट्रेड से। चाहे चल जा भाई, दो से मेरी एवरेज निकल जाएगी। अब मैं फिर सिंगल हैंडेड अकेला हो जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैंने एवरेज की थी 508 से 35 पॉइंट के बाद, लेकिन अभी रुक नहीं रही। लेट्स सी, कम ऑन, टेक मी आउट। 74 से 10 पॉइंट मिल चुके हैं आपको। नो, फूके मारो जी, यही कर सकते हैं, और तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते। That's it. अगली कैंडल ग्रीन है, खुल गई है, इट्स गोइंग अप होपफुली। नहीं जी, बारह 16 हो गए। मैंने गिरा ड्राइव टू। अब मैंने क्या किया हुआ है, एक माइक्रो, दो माइक्रो से एवरेज की थी 508 से। अभी मैं निकल जाऊंगा 508 491 पे ब्रेक इवन पे, और एक माइक्रो को छोड़ दूंगा। तो शाम तक देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है। सॉरी, इट्स लंच टाइम टू। We'll see. अच्छा लो पर बहुत हो गया। नेक्स्ट नंबर आपको दे रहा हूं। इससे पहले, बिफोर आई गो, I'll handle this situation myself later, so I can leave. Wait for yesterday's low. अभी बहुत दूर है, 303, so you can enter maybe 305 somewhere around there. So उससे पहले ना एंटर कीजिएगा। 465 आ जाए। अभी 405 भी पड़ा है, निचला लो भी पड़ा। हेलो, ओके मैं देखता हूँ। ओके बाय। ओके बाय। Sorry. Still should pick up now. Enough हो गया यार. $600 की मूव आ गई और क्या चाहिए. और निकाला ब्रेक इवन पे ताकि मैं एक चलो ब्रेक इवन वाला ट्रेड निकल गया. नाउ एक को घूमते फिरते रहते हैं, बाद में देखेंगे. और यहां से मुझे चाहिए $120. लॉट साइज को रिड्यूस कर दिया. 35 के बाद एवरेज की थी 508 से 475. अब देखेंगे नीचे जाके कहाँ एवरेज करनी है. 492 पे मेरी एंट्री है, तो मे बी 400 पे जो हमारा नीचे का एरिया है वहाँ जाके एवरेज देखते हैं. 1 सेकेंड. एरिया क्या हमारा 430. बाद में देखेंगे, अभी नहीं. Maybe I do an average down there. So this is called unloading your. So trade आया 508 वाला, फिर एवरेज करके देखेंगे बाद में if I need it. All right, man. ये है जी मेरी जिंदगी नैस्डैक की. घूमता फिरता रहेगा ट्रेड. और लेवल कहाँ है? ऑर्डर बड़े कहाँ लगे हैं? आगे तो नहीं है. 187 400 पे लगे हुए जी. या 187. तो जब लोग जा रहे होते हैं तो हम भी इस बुक को स्कैन करके थोड़ा सा ले लेते हैं. 400 तक जा सकती है. क्योंकि अभी ईएस का बॉक्स फिल नहीं हुआ ना. ईएस ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच रही है वैल्यू एरिया के बॉटम पे. That is the reason I don't watch NASDAQ on 15, 10, 32, 30, 20. It's just, I'm more comfortable on a time-based chart. आ जा भाई. 600 पॉइंट गिर गए, उठना चाहिए. 430 पे 60 पॉइंट के बाद एवरेज करेंगे. देखो मैं ऑफ कोर्स इसको एग्जिट करूंगा यहाँ पर 577 पे. नहीं हमारा क्या है निंजा कप्पे बट लोअर बैंड पे 60 मिनट के लोअर पे एवरेज करेंगे 407 पे. इससे पहले एवरेज नहीं करनी. अगर एंट्री करनी है तो 400 से पहले नहीं. 401, 405, 407 उससे पहले ना एंट्री कीजिएगा. 50 पॉइंट और आ लेंगे. So today you guys saw my hands-on experience on my personal trades on this. For about $1,000. It's okay. So if I get 490 to 577, that will give me 77 plus 8. So 85 times 2, $170 trade if it goes in my favor. आ जानी चाहिए यार, बहुत गिर गई है, $608 गिर गई है सुबह से, 30,000 से देखें आ रही. Do I do an average earlier? No. I will wait for my average is 407. Nothing before that. अब बड़े बॉटम से गई है, बिल्कुल डॉट टू डॉट 30 से बाउंस किया. हमारा एरिया था 31 से बाउंस कर गई. तो जो रूल है वो क्यों तोड़ने हैं यार? इट्स ओके. मेरे ख्याल है 1 मिनट वाली चढ़नी शुरू हो गई है वापस. या सारा ग्रीन हो गया होगा उधर, या एक पहली 1 मिनट वाली तो इस तरह पुल अप कर रही होती है ना, तो 1 मिनट चढ़ गया जी. चल भाई रक्षंदा, ले जा ऑल द वे. And I'm 25 minutes over my appointment. I don't know why you are stuck at 500. मुझे नहीं मालूम. Okay. बैठा हूँ. So 407 पे एवरेज करूंगा, अभी नहीं. एक्चुअली इसको 1 मिनट की कैंडल के मिड पे ले आता हूँ, एग्जिट को. Nine August. All right. $34. Low test करने आ रहा है कि ES is not done yet. ES still needs to fill the box. ES अभी दूर है. ES किधर है जी? ES अभी दूर है जी. ES still needs to come. अभी वैल्यू एरिया तोड़ना है, तो यहाँ पर का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं. ES में एंट्री लूँगा 55 पे. अभी नहीं जी. अच्छा जा बहुत हो गया है बॉटम रेंज भी लगाई है 430 वॉल शॉप ने क्या कह दिया है ये 1 मिनट वाली एक आ गई दूसरी आ गई थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्लोज हो तो ऊपर चले थोड़ा सा नीचे गिरी है सो ब्रिंग इट टू 1 मिनट मिनट 526 I'll be right back guys just gotta go wash my hands वहीं खड़ी है यार आजा आजा आ रही है All right. Are we in green yet? No, minus back down after. तो इसको जाना तो चाहिए ऊपर तक. Let's see. All right. कहाँ देखी थी 484. Oh man. You know what? Let's see. Area to area खेल रहे हैं. तो let me see. Maybe I take more pants. अभी तो बहुत कैंडल्स पड़ी हैं. फिल तो हो गया. What's the 50%? Okay, so what's the number here? 631. 631. 631. 29,431. इसका नंबर था जी 632. Okay, it should bounce to 821, 747, 672, 580. Yeah, okay. 2149 point move. 580. Perfect. Should come to, there you go. That's my exit order. Maybe 1 minute, 60 minute वाली पूरी फिल नहीं हुई. 430. आजा थोड़ा सा और आजा. 400 वाले में तो ऑर्डर बड़े हैं यार. लोग चाह रहे हैं कि वो भी तो ऑर्डर उठाए ना. So if you are out, the best number would be, if you're not in any trade, your best number is 401. आजा 401 वाले को भी पिक कर. 60 मिनट के 240 का क्या हाल है जी? 240 क्या कहता है? 240 की स्विंग बहुत अभी तो चल रही है. Enough days नहीं है 240 के लिए. So 425. Come on, pick it up. Let's go back to 30 minutes. Or 13. Did not go back up. 1 minute. पहुंच रही है जी, मेरे पास पहुंच रही है. 404 पे लगाया मैंने दूसरा एवरेज के लिए. हाँ जी रवि भाई, करूँगा जी. ऐसा ही प्लान है मेरा कि दूसरे स्क्रीन पर डेली साथ एज वी गो कर दूँ. नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी तो हम जरा, ये मैं अपनी स्क्रीन में देख रहा होता हूँ, जूम पे जो है ना चल रहा होता है जरा. So let's see. So if you are not in any trade, if 472 ने आपको दिया है जी, 492 वाले भी निकल चुके हो सकते हैं. I'm still holding because just remember please, मैंने बहुत पैसा बनाया हुआ है, 1000 बनाया, और मैं एक माइक्रो के साथ हूँ, तो I'm not highly stressed over it. 408. Come on. दिल तो कर रहा है एवरेज कर लूँ, लेकिन दिमाग कह रहा है कि नहीं करो. सो दिमाग से काम लेना है, दिल से काम नहीं लेना. दिल तो पागल है, दिमाग से चलना है. एक प्रॉपर रूल सेट किया है तो किया है कि भाई नहीं लेना तो नहीं लेना. 476 वाले और 484 वाले सारे निकल गए होंगे. सो अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. 404 का ऑर्डर लगा है, काफ़ी लगा. ये देखें आपके सामने, यहाँ तक इसने जाना है. बहुत ऑर्डर लगा है, 400 बंदा बैठा है, और आज साइज 16,000 हो गया, और बायर बहुत कम है. बायर का ऑर्डर तो 245 बंदा बैठा है भाई. सो उसने जाके पिक करनी है प्राइस. तो जहाँ 245 ऑर्डर लगा है, सो माइट एज वेल आप भी घुस जाओ. The only difference is we don't know if these are buy orders, buy limits, or buy stops or sell stops. Meaning के यहाँ से price नीचे ने जानी है या 411, 410, 408. So I will not break my discipline of averaging too quickly. It has gone against me, what, $150? What's my 150 divided by 2? It's $75 against me. It's not a big deal. $100, 100 points तो मेरे against जाए यार. -$200 तो देखूं. तो इसलिए मैंने 60 मिनट के बॉटम बैंड पे लगा दिया था कि अगर एवरेज करूंगा वहां से करूंगा। बहुत कंजर्वेटिव ट्रेड्स लिए हैं, लिबरल एग्रेसिव नहीं। चलो अभी भी चांस है फॉर, ये 60 मिनट वाली कैंडल अभी कर रही है। पैनिक नहीं होना यार, पैनिक क्या होना है, बहुत पैनिक हो क्लोज का बटन दबा दो, इतना पैनिक क्या होना है। एक माइक्रो से और व्हाट्स द थ्रेशोल्ड 5, ये तो 1600 का है, ये तो डन हो चुका है। मे बी आई ओपन डू समथिंग ऑन ब्लू स्काई, एक्चुअली आई रेदर नॉट, बिकॉज फिर मेरा जो है ना इसको भी लॉक कर दूं, क्योंकि दिल और दिमाग की फाइट है। So let me lock these so I don't accidentally trade this. Lock until end of the day, ताकि out of sight out of mind ना देखूंगा ना ट्रेड कर सकूंगा। डन। अब मैं यो जी I wanna buy, no nothing, you're done your target, so lock कर दो, हाथों को बांध दो। 408 actually I'm gonna slightly move that down to 401 402 पे एवरेज 402 पे लेके आ गया। मेरे एड ऑर्डर्स कहाँ चले गए जी, 402 पे, ठीक है, गुड इनफ है। ओके 498, okay, thank you. No, I will. I'm just about to leave. I'm 40 minutes behind leaving for my appointment, but आ जा भाई 408। एंटर होने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं जी आप जो 400 वाले रेडी हो रहे हैं। 406 405 कम ऑन, पिक हो गए 2 ऑर्डर 4, ओके 10 पॉइंट मिल गए जी आपको, डन। 4 वो वाला ट्रेड डन हो गया आपका। 20 पॉइंट मिल गए हैं 400 वाले। कम ऑन, आई गोटा डू समथिंग क्विक बिफोर दिस। 30 पॉइंट मिल गए हैं जी आपको, 32 पॉइंट। ले लिया जी 400 वाला। ओ बस करा, और चल जा 450 तक तो जा। चलो 25 पॉइंट मिल गए आपको 400 से 404 से। कंग्रेचुलेशन जी जिसने 25 पॉइंट ले लिए, 30 ले लिए। All these tools are helpful. There's no guarantee things will happen a certain way, but if you wait, you're not gonna go crazy in losses. Oh, ugly minute. I just want to pull it up to 450. So then I will reduce my risk down to 1 micro. बाद में देखेंगे। पोजीशन क्या है, आ जा थोड़ा सा, आ जा ऊपर और मेरी पोजीशन है 447, वहां से मैं एग्जिट कर जाऊंगा 2 माइक्रो को और 1 को छोड़ दूंगा। 448 से बाय स्टॉप किया है कि ब्रेकआउट हो जाए। चल भाई ले जाओ पर 30 पॉइंट तो दे गया 400 वाले को। अच्छा लो पर इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो तुम, 600 पॉइंट गिरे हो, वापस जाओ। इट्स ओके, मे बी इन 1 मिनट, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट 15 मिनट वाली कैंडल खुल रही है, सो मे बी आई विल पुल अप। हाँ man, एनफ हो गया, बहुत हो गया, इतना तंग कर रही हो तुम। चल भाई 10 पॉइंट रह गए, 42, 43, 44, 45। चल भाई निकल भाई, डन डन भाई। अब मैं जा रहा हूँ गाइस, इस ऑर्डर को अब मैं खुला छोड़ूंगा, बाद में देखूंगा 300 पे अगर मुझे एवरेज करनी पड़ी तो 303 लूंगा। मुझे नहीं लगता कि और नीचे जाएगी, 12 बज गए, एनफ। अब इन्होंने वापस यहाँ तो नहीं बंद करनी, तो मैं यहाँ से लूंगा 574 का एग्जिट चल के देखता हूँ, फिर देखेंगे एवरेज। तो आज आप लोगों ने डॉलर कॉस्ट एवरेज भी देख ली कि मैं कैसे एवरेज करता हूँ, पूरा का पूरा सेशन आ गया, नंबर कैसे निकालता हूँ। और बस मैं रैंडम एंट्री नहीं कर रहा यार, आपके सामने बैठा हूँ, जो अकाउंट्स भी लॉक कर दिए। दिस इज माय डेली हैबिट। सो बन जाते हैं यार पैसे, इतना मुसीबत नहीं है। ये 20-20 पॉइंट भी लो हर पॉइंट से, या 10 भी लो तो $20 बनते हैं। $100 के बाद बंद कर दो। 400 पे बनी है, हमने 4 पॉइंट ट्रेड लिए। अब ये दोबारा रीटेस्ट करने जाएगी 1 आवर की कैंडल को, तो या 15 मिनट की। तो लेट्स सी फिर रीटेस्ट 393, बट आई एम नॉट वरीड। सो एनीवे, hopefully I will try to do more sessions like this. Honestly वहाँ पर सिस्टम ऐसा है कि इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता, फिर किसी का एनी डेस्क है, किसी का कॉपियर नहीं पड़ रहा, किसी का बुल नॉक्स नहीं चल रहा। सो which I'm trying to get away from altogether. So strictly focused on experienced traders कि अगर आपने एंट्रीज लेनी है तो मेरे साथ साथ लेते रहो यार, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ आप करते रहो, तो बन जाएंगे। मेरे भी तो बन रहे हैं ना। ऑफ कोर्स 100% नहीं है, कोई 9th डे आएगा बेड़ा गर्क होगा सारों का, उस दिन हम मेंटल स्टॉप लॉस ले लेंगे भाई यार, बहुत हो गया। इट्स ओके राइट। सो अभी तो बन ही रहे हैं ना, इट्स ओके। ओ ओ ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल, लो जी बन गए बन गए बन गए, लो जी 100 बन गया। एक और यहीं से बाय मार्केट, वेरी नाइस। देखें 150 लिए थे, 100 बने। what a beautiful, so what a beautiful बाय परचेज आया। फिर अब यहाँ निकल, सारे निकल गए होंगे जी ट्रेड से। कंग्रेचुलेशंस गाइस, एंजॉय। आई होप यू हैव हैड ए ग्रेट सेशन विद मी टुडे। ऑसम। टुडे स्ट्रेटजी इज बेस्ट। अब अगला नंबर आपको दे देता हूँ, वेट करें, मैं जरा हाथ धो के आया क्योंकि घर वालों ने खाना भी दिया हुआ है, वो भी खा रहा हूँ। 12 बज गए अपॉइंटमेंट से, मैं 47 मिनट लेट हूँ, लेकिन वाइल्ड फायर पे हम लोग कह देंगे जी, वाइल्ड फायर की वजह से। एशियन की टाइम मैनेजमेंट, हम साउथ एशियन की टाइम मैनेजमेंट कुछ इसी तरह की है। एनीवे इट्स ओके। व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल पंप आया था, 536 तक गई है जी। चलो एनीवे, अगला नंबर क्विकली आपको दे सकते हैं। व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ 303? लेट मी सी, क्योंकि हमारा कल का लो है। एक सेकंड जी, 303, I gotta add more, 3000 levels। और इस तरह की टीचिंग्स आपको नहीं मिलनी जिधर मर्जी चले जाओ। We put our heart and soul into this. लो जी, नेक्स्ट नंबर आपको दे रहा हूँ। 182 ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है। 301, 305, 300 ठीक है। 305 भी ठीक है। 5 पॉइंट का बफर दे के 306 से शुरू हो रहे हैं जी। 306 से 300 के दरमियान आपको लॉन्ग मिल जाएगा। अब अगर यहाँ से शॉर्ट करना हो, कुछ लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर हमने यहाँ से अब रिवर्सल लेना है, क्योंकि 5 बजे तक खुली है एंड 5 बजे तक जतन भाई कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आप भी कर रहे हैं। कैन यू चेक द ट्रेड कॉपी इंडिकेटर? श्योर, लेट मी डबल चेक, नो प्रॉब्लम। डैन भाई देखता हूँ। ओके, ऑलराइट ऑलराइट ऑलराइट। अब इसकी आपको एक स्विंग देता हैं। देखें ये 15, पहले मैं देखता हूँ बड़ी स्विंग। 60 से शुरू करते हैं। स्विंग आई है जी 665। पहले तो इक्वल लो यहाँ बनेगा 393 पे। अगर अगली कैंडल गिरती है, कुछ नंबर 393 पे मिलेंगे, क्योंकि अगली जो 1 o'clock वाली कैंडल है, जो 1 से 2 o'clock में आएगी, उसमें इक्वल लो कुछ आपको मिल सकता है। ठीक है, ये आपका दूसरा हो गया। अब मैं स्विंग देता हूँ, यहाँ पर आई है 397 एंड 667। 397 एंड 667, 29, 397 एंड हमारी स्विंग साइज है 667। 667 ही है ना? 667 ही ऑलमोस्ट। 666 शैतान का नंबर आ गया 6। ऑलराइट, so if you wanna retrace back up, 550 तक इसको जाना चाहिए पहला, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी स्विंग है। 666 पॉइंट्स की स्विंग है। तो यू कैन सेल समवेयर 800 पे। पिवट पे आप बैठो जी। पिवट से पहले ना करना। अगर आपने सेल ही करना है तो पिवट से सेल करना यहाँ पर। तो अगर यहाँ पर मैंने सेल लिमिट किया है ना, तो यहाँ जाके मैं 2 सेल और लगा देता हूँ। ये सेल हो जाएगा जब यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगी। तो मैं इसको देखता हूँ, तो ये सेल अभी देखे ना बन रहा है। इसको यहाँ पर तो एग्जिट करूँ, फिर वहाँ से बाय करूँगा। यहाँ एग्जिट करता हूँ एग्जैक्टली एरिया के टॉप पे, फिर वहाँ से इतना स्टॉप तो मैं बुक करूँ ना, इतना टीपी। क्या मान यार, ये ना 60 मिनट में करना मुश्किल हो जाता है। या 25 पॉइंट मिल रहे थे, बट इट्स ओके। यहाँ के ब्रेकआउट से अब ले लूँगा मैं। सेल स्टॉप, बाय स्टॉप। बाय स्टॉप का मतलब होता है कि इस प्राइस के ऊपर जाएगी तो मैं बाय कर लूँगा। और मैं निकलना चाह रहा हूँ, कहाँ निकलना चाह रहा हूँ? पिवट पे तो मेरा ऑर्डर है। यहाँ पर देखें ना, मल्टीपल ऑर्डर्स लग रहे हैं। तो अब देखिए मैंने किया है। पहले तो मैंने ये किया है कि पहला मैं टीपी यहाँ पर हिट करना चाह रहा हूँ, समवेयर अराउंड हियर। ये 517, 530 तक हमारा जो एरिया है वहाँ तक जाए, वहाँ से निकाल दे। फिर अगर एरिया को तोड़ गई, वापस ऊपर की तरफ जाए, तो यहाँ तक चली जाए और यहाँ मुझे निकाल दे। इट्स ओके। तो ये मेरे, कुछ लोग डिफरेंट करते, ट्रेल करते हैं। मेरा ट्रेलिंग का स्टाइल ये वाला है। मेरा ट्रेल का होता है, मैं एग्जिट ऑर्डर लगाता हूँ, फिर वहाँ से आगे चलता जाता हूँ। कुछ लोग पीछे की तरफ से आते हैं, मैं आगे की तरफ से जा रहा हूँ। सो देखें जी, जा रहा है जा रहा है जा रहा है। इट्स ओके, हौसला रखा करें, हौसला। ये भी $50 का ट्रेड चल जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट। कम ऑन, पुश अप a little bit more बेबी। थोड़ा सा और मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा और। आजा यार, कम ऑन यार, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहता, तुमने आ जाओ। एक अगली मिनट की कैंडल ऊपर 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 ऊपर, देर ऊपर 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 ऊपर। कम ऑन, मैं कह रहा हूँ ऊपर, थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाके। Hey, oh man, my kids are fighting hard. 1 second. All right. Did we hit it? Not yet. Come on, man. जहाँ इतनी जलालत है, जलालत ही है और क्या कहें, कितनी दूर रह गई। आ जा भाई, कम ऑन यार, चल यार, मैं यहीं ले रहा हूँ, इतना तो बुक करूँ, फिर यहीं से बैठ जाता हूँ तेरे साथ ही। चलो यहाँ से बैठ जाता हूँ, दोबारा बैठ जाता हूँ। एक पॉइंट देना उसके लिए अजाब था, तो कोई बात नहीं। सो बैठ के दोबारा ले लिया। सेल लिमिट सम टाइम।
They're calling me.
No, just please be quiet. I'm almost done. So all right. So where were we? Just I hit close because वो candle जरा reversal आ रही थी. So let's do 6 more minutes of work. So it came up as close there. It's okay. 1200 हो गया था. No problem. So equal low बन सकता है, लेकिन आइडियल नंबर आपका आएगा ये 305 वाला। यप, 305 से पहले ना जाइएगा। अब मैं कहाँ एग्जिट कर रहा हूँ, सेल लिमिट कर रहा हूँ S1 पे, फिर 2 सेल करूँगा पिवट से। अगर पिवट के करीब आ गई वहाँ से इसको बंद करें। So let's see, we'll go back to 5-minute candle. All right, thank you जी। थर्टी मिनट वाली 1 o'clock वाली कैंडल नीचे जाके इक्वल लो टेस्ट कर सकती है, तो डोंट वरी, इट्स ओके। तो अगर एंटर करना है प्लीज आप वेट कीजिएगा अगेन कल के लो से, 3 कल का लो सही है। सो यहाँ से इसको ट्रेवल करना चाहिए इधर। अब मैं थोड़ी सी ना जाते जाते प्लानिंग करता जाता हूँ। अगर इसको इसने तोड़ दिया तो मैं जस्ट थोड़ा एग्रेसिव ट्रेड थोड़ा कर दूं आप लोगों के लिए, तो कंजर्वेटिव ट्रेड कर रहा था। तो यहाँ एग्जिट करूं टीपी, फिर यहाँ से मैं ऊपर से शुरू कर दूं बाय स्टॉप यहाँ आ जाए। सो आई वुड लाइक जैसे ही ये S2 को ब्रेक करे मुझे पिक कर ले, फिर मुझे निकाले इधर कल के लो पे। अगर इसने इसको पिक कर लिया तो फिर यहाँ निकाले और वहां से 1 से 3 सेल हो जाए। ओके, देखिए स्ट्रैटेजी मैंने ये बनाई है, आपको बताता हूँ मैंने किया क्या। वेट करें, पहले तो मैं यहाँ से लॉन्ग हूँ ना 500 से, तो टॉप ऑफ द निंजा के पिवट पे निकलूंगा। अगर निंजा का पिवट टूट जाता है और वहाँ से प्राइस 85 पे चली जाती है तो यहाँ से बाय हो, और कल के वीक का जो पिछले वीक का लो है वहाँ निकल जाऊं, और फिर वहाँ से मैं बैठूं गाड़ी के अंदर और अगले स्टेशन पे जाने के लिए पिवट तक बैठूं। पिवट में मैंने 3 करने, 2 में सेल करना चाहता हूं और एक जो ये बाय हुआ है ये वहीं से सेल हो जाएगा। इसकी कई दफ़ा ना खबीस CME का रूल लगा देंगे मेरे ऊपर। तो यहाँ मैं 2 एग्जिट कर देता हूँ 95 पे, और सॉरी एक लेके चलो। आई एम जस्ट ब्रेकिंग डाउन माय ऑर्डर सेल लिमिट, और फिर ऊपर से निंजा के वहाँ से मैं जाऊँगा 2 सेल लिमिट। आई नो आई कुड डू 3, लेकिन अब मैंने इसको स्केल कर दिया। मैं बैठा हूँ कहाँ पर जी, लेट्स कमिंग बैक टू इट। इस तरह पूरा पूरा दिन लगा के चलता रहता हूँ, ब्रेक करता रहता हूँ एरियाज के अंदर कि कहाँ कहाँ मेरे एग्जिट्स एंड एंट्रीज हैं। तो मैंने क्या किया जी, मैं एक्सपेक्टेड लो से बैठा हूँ समवेयर 500 की रेंज से। तो 500 में बैठा हूँ। मेरा किधर गया जी, मेरी पोजीशन क्या है, मेरी पोजीशन है जी, पोजीशन है, मेरी पोजीशन 504, ठीक है। 504 से मैं ट्रैवल करना चाहता हूं यहां तक 585 तक, ठीक है। निंजा के पिवट से अगर वहीं से बाउंस हो गई तो ठीक है, दोबारा एंटर कर जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर उसने निंजा का पिवट तोड़ दिया, इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले आता हूं, ये वाली कैंडल टूट गई ना, ब्रेकआउट इस कैंडल का, ओ यार। तो यहां से अगर ये ब्रेकआउट हो गई तो मुझे ले जाएं ऊपर 603 से, मुझे ऊपर ले जाएं। और कहाँ निकालनी जाके सेल लिमिट, यहां पर 657 तक। फिर अगर इसने ये ब्रेकआउट कर दिया, वीक का हाई ब्रेकआउट कर दिया, 685 कर दिया यहां पर, तो 6 यहां से मैं चलूंगा एंड आई विल गो अंटिल माय पिवट पॉइंट, देयर यू गो। ऑलराइट, सो एंड फिर मैं इसको एक्चुअली यहाँ निकाल देता हूँ, टॉप ऑफ द ब्लू बॉक्स। और अगर पिवट पे आ गई, सो नाउ आई, अब मैं यहाँ छोड़ जाऊंगा और फिर देखेंगे कि क्या होते हैं अगर। एंड 1 PM कैंडल इज ओपन, 1 आवर की, इसको जाना तो चाहिए एटलीस्ट 5। So this is called trading area to area where I have. So how am I going from expected low all the way to S2? क्योंकि मुझे पहले रेंज एस्टैब्लिश करनी होती है, मैं खुद देखता है, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता ना इसने कितना गिरना है। या तो अब मेरे पास रेंज आ गई है, अब रिवर्सल शुरू हुए हैं, तो मैं ऊपर जाते जाते एक्सपेक्टेड लो से S2 तक अपने ऑर्डर्स को इस तरह तोड़ रहा हूँ। कुछ लोग TP1, TP2, TP3 लगा देते हैं, दैट्स वन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट। आई एम लाइक, वो कुछ करेंगे, लाओ जी एवरी 25 के बाद मेरे लेकिन $50 बने हैं, TP1 हिट हो जाएगा। तो लाइक फिर लाइक सम ट्रेड्स में बहुत लेट लेट निकलता हूँ, क्योंकि यार माइक्रो वाले ट्रेड दे जाते हैं, अभी भी चल रहा है। सो दिस इज समथिंग न्यू यू गैस इफ लाइक। देखें यार, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा, ना पैनिक हो रहा हूँ, आपके सामने 9 बजे से बैठा हूँ, डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट थी, 12 बजे जाना था, अभी भी चल रहे हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। अब ये देखें, प्राइस ने ऊपर नीचे ब्रीदिंग कर करके आना होता है, लेकिन इसको एक्सपेक्टेड लो से एटलीस्ट पिवट तक तो आना चाहिए। और पिवट पे फिर मैं सेल कर दूंगा, बाई सेल अपनी जोन पे होता है। नाउ आई रियली गोटा गो, एंजॉय, सी यू गाइस, टेक केयर यार। लेट मी सी इफ एनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर। थैंक यू जी। आई नो टुडे सेशन थोड़ा सा एक्सीडेंटली हो गया था, क्योंकि मेरी स्क्रीन आप लोगों के साथ साथ जा रही है। आई नो इट डिड नॉट वर्क ऑन ऑडियो एंड टेलीग्राम, उधर सिर्फ ऑडियो जा रही है, तो इसलिए मैं सारों को जूम पे ले आया हूँ। Because if I share over there, you guys will get like 5 to 8 second delay, right? So, क्यों नहीं जानी प्राइस, क्यों नहीं जानी यार? आप लोग इतने लंबे लंबे लॉसेस में बैठते हो, प्रॉफिट में भी तो बैठा करो। एक माइक्रो से लाइक 100 पॉइंट ले सकते हो, कोई इतना रॉकेट साइंस तो नहीं है ना। मैं भी 5 साल पहले ही फ्यूचर्स में आया हूँ, पहले तो स्टॉक में तो आपको 3 3 माह बैठना पड़ता है। तो क्यों नहीं मैं 30 30 40 40 50 50 पॉइंट लेता आपके लिए। ये ना 500 से चल रही है, तो 771 तक मैंने अपना प्लान कर दिया, गई तो चली गई, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट मेरा TP1 ये लगा हुआ है ना, ये मेरा TP1 है, फिर मेरा TP2 ये लगा हुआ है, फिर मेरा TP3 ये लगा हुआ, और फिर वहां से रिवर्सल करेंगे। सो ये है जी, एंजॉय। कुछ लोग इतना फिर होता ही है कि आप लोग लॉसेस में लंबा बैठे रहते हो, प्रॉफिट आपके पास है नहीं है। मेरे पास ना मार्जिन है कि अगर चला भी गया तो लाइक आई एम प्लेइंग विद व्हाट, आ जाएगी। $1200 हो चुका है। या वन वे इज आई क्लोज दिस एंड आई कॉल इट अ डे। एक ये भी हो सकता है कि यार ओवर ट्रेड ना हो, क्योंकि मार्केट, लेकिन यार इट्स नॉट दैट एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जाएगी जाएगी, यकीन होना चाहिए आपको यार। यू कैन मूव द माउंटेन्स यार, ये ट्रेड तो कुछ भी नहीं है, यकीन है कि ऊपर ही जाएगा। तो यहां तक तो आएगी यार, पहले TP1 तो ले लूं मैं यार, $100 तो बनाऊं यार, 9,000 बनाना है कोई, और माइक्रो से बना रहा हूं मैं। माइक्रो को आप खुला छोड़ देंगे तो मार्केट से लुट लटा के आ जाती है। पैनिक ना हो मेरे TPSL को देख के। Alright guys, I gotta go. Enjoy. Take care. Enough. गालियां मुझसे हो गई।
Call from 16471630899.
Alright, let's shut this thing down. Alright, go on. Sorry guys. Sorry for those who couldn't see audio here.